Yo, hey, welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Bon Zupi, Joe, good to see you guys. You made it in. You made it early before you even clicked the go button. I pressed the broadcast button. Yo, hey, Muga fan, good to see you as well. Happy Sunday. Going back to sleep over there, are you? You guys are early. You made it in early. Good morning, Stephen. Thank you, Joe. Good to have you here. We're going to be continuing our variational autoencoder today. This is the point where we need to write our loss function. We got to turn the loss function into actual code right now. So we've got a lot of work to do. And the good news is right here. Tuberkio, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here, big brother. Thank you. To turn off notifications on Instagram. Oh, you did? Oh, wait, I didn't know you could do that. Oh, wow. Yo. Hey, Ruchit, good to see you. Hey, Steven. Hey, pal, good to see you. Welcome on in. You're early today. Good to see you guys. You made it on in. It's 10 a.m. over here. Whoa, really? It is 8:22 a.m. over here. Hey, I love Dorfic. Hey, good to see you. I love Dorfic. Welcome on in, you guys. No, you have to turn off. Ah, got it. Okay, got to turn it off. Understood. Yo, Ruchit, thank you very much. My gratitude to you for the 100. Good to have you here. Thank you so much. It's a new record probably for the first within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, new record. Let's see. Steven, third like done. Thank you, Ruchit. Appreciate it. You're in the Midwest. Yep, there we go. That's how it works. So it's probably 10:22 a.m. where you're at, yeah? 17:22 p.m. where you're at. Okay, so that's 5:22 p.m. in the evening. Friend says 6'7" Rizzler. I like the Rizzler. 16:22 for you. All right. So that's 16. So 4:22 p.m. Got it. Yo, Elmo. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Yo, hi. Good to have you here. Hello. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. We are going to be continuing our variational autoencoder today. I have to do the loss function here. And this is going to be some math. So just a smidgen of math. Just a little bit. Thank you for the hearts. I see the floating hearts over there. Thank you. I appreciate it. Your friend is bamming being. What does that mean? What that mean? From the spamming me with on. Oh, got it. Okay, got it. Always have to have you here again, brother. Thank you, Tuberkio. Good to have you here. I'm looking forward to this right here. We're going to be doing quite a bit of math that I'm not fully understanding. I know this part right here. This part is an epsilon. So it's basically like 0.003 or something like that. Basically like an epsilon that we're supposed to adjust to like make some adjustments. It's like the beta. So this is what we have to do. 50 new notifications. That's so many notifications. Wow. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. All right. So let's see how we can do this. So we got our normal loss with the MSE, and then we need a beta of some sort. So is this a tensor? Do you know what this is? Account for the mini batch sample from the data set. So I'm not sure exactly what that is. And where do we use it? We use it here in the reconstruction. I think that might be a tensor. It's probably a tensor. I just don't know if it's a scalar or if it's a vector. I think we probably could get away with a scalar tensor. I'm pretty sure we could. So let KLD underscore weight, WEIGHT equal a tensor new. And is there a new tensor? Can we do that? How do we do that? I need a tensor new here. Let's see if we can figure this out. Hey, Sergio, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. Spamming with me on my... Oh, wait, really? This is a lot of spamming. Hey, Elmo is spamming over there. This is exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. So this is tensor new, and then you can pass in a vector or just a slice, basically. So let's see if we can do that. That's one of the nice things. I don't have to do a vector, build it with a vector. I can just go and... Can we say... I don't know. Let's try this. We'll try just a 0.003 here. This is what I'm going to attempt. I'm going to attempt this. I don't know if that's something that we need. Now, do we need to unwrap this tensor? Is what I'm wondering. Do we need to unwrap that? We do. It looks like we do need to unwrap that. Okay. Good to know. And do we use the address of? We do use the address of. Okay. And then we need the device as well, which is a problem. Okay. What's your GPU? Oh, good question. Let's see here. GPU is a Mac, so I'll just type H top, right? So this is my GPU. It's basically my processor. I don't know how to show you my GPU. RTX 600 Pro. No, it's an M series Mac processor. M series Mac processor. M series Mac processor from Apple. So it's just a regular consumer. It's pretty good. It's actually pretty good. It does a good job. It does a really good job. No, not not that. But I see what you're saying. Well, I mean, I'm good. I'm comfortable. Let's say it. What's the VRAM? 128. 128 GB. 128 GB. Lots of RAMs right there. Remember when I said yesterday I'd probably burned 1 billion tokens? I do. And you checked your Claude 30 days and it's at 45 million tokens. That's so many tokens. So what is that? 45 million? How much does that cost? That's got to be hundreds of dollars, right? Hundreds of dollars. That's expensive. That's so many tokens. I meant VRAM, not RAM. Video graphics memory. It is. It's 128. So it's shared. 128 gigabit VRAM, which is shared, right? Shared with system. It's shared with the system one. Shared with system. It is. It's 128. And mostly, for practically, it can go up to like 110. Practically. It could go a little bit more than that. Lots of RAM, Sergio. I know, right? You worked out probably burned around 1.2 billion overall. That's so many. That's so many token burns. You're burning up all the tokens. It's $20 on the Pro plan. Well, that's a good price you got there. With $20. You can meet channel points. Can you give me point? Hydrate you. Oh, we're definitely gonna, I got a giant glass of water here, so. We're gonna lock in. Today, we really wanna get this loss function figured out here. We want to get this loss function satisfied. Let's see. I think we have to do an ampersand on that and a question mark here. Let's see if we can do that. No errors. Oh, we got an error immediately. Immediately got an error. All right. So this is going to be a tensor. Can we do this? It's not like that. It doesn't like that. What about that? No. What does it want? What? Oh, we need the device. Oh, right. Okay. Well, I suppose what we could do is we could just pass this in as a var. We could just pass this in as a var. So that way, do we have access to everything over here? I think we do. So we could just make that as a var right there. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Can you adopt me, sir? AXD111. I mean, technically, I suppose at any age you could adopt someone. Can we have 40 points? Can you play 1,000,000 points? What that mean? I don't know what that means. Apple Silicon has GPU embedded? Yes, sure does. The same package in the CPU. They're all on the same chip, right? It's a system on a chip. System on a chip, you guys. SoC. It's called SoC. They share the same unified RAM. I believe they sure do. Give me 1,000,000 point. There is option for that. Can you do that? I don't think you can. You probably had 5,000 mortgage installments on your VRAM. I got it before the Rampocalypse. Let's just say that. I got it before the Rampocalypse, before it took over. So, hey, we're good. We're good to go. We're good to go. All right, what is this? I want to get my... So this is a let's go. Let KLD wait. We're going to do this. We're going to bring it over here is what we're going to do. And then I need to pass it to the AND device. Is this what we get? Is this what we do right here? Even before Hike, it was kind of costly. That is true. It was still pretty costly. It was. Hey, Agony. Hey, good to see you. Happy Sunday. Welcome on in. Hope you're doing good. Hey there. How you doing? I'm doing good. Thank you. Told you make the live stream. What does that mean? Maybe hold my profile, go to point, and then click. It says I can invite you. I could follow you, whisper you, and give you subs is what I can do. Or time you out or ban you. That's one of the things. I can time you out. I can ban you. I could warn you. Warn. Here we go. Oh, a warn. There we go. There we go. Click warn. There. I did something. There. I clicked it. What is this, Python? It is. It's Python on the left, on the right side of the screen over here. That's all Python over here. You see on the screen I'm highlighting right there. That's Python. And on the other side of the screen is Rust. This is Rust over here. 10 out of 10 stream. I liked it. Hey, Agony, thank you. All right, you're making so many streams. You got a 5-day, got 5 stream streak. What is, 5 stream streak, Muga fan, nice. Nice. That's awesome. That's fantastic. So let's see, I can whisper, yo, I can send you a message. Yo, message. That's about as much as I can do. Oh, with the hydrate, thank you very much, appreciate it. Let's see, if you were $1 million in an hour, but you had explosive diarrhea per hour, would you get it? Yeah, of course, wouldn't you? Yeah, I would say yeah. I'm with you on that. That Mac probably is a 5 to 6K rig. It is now. Probably before the Rampacalypse, it was way less. It was half that. It was half that. Using literal earning a living. I feel like you might have overestimating the cost. It is probably around 6K now because the RAM is so good. When I bought it though, it was only 3K. It was only 3K. It's a good system. It's a good system. Yo, hey Joe. Hey Joe Co, it's good to see you. Welcome on in. Also, Shadow Realities, thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Today we're building a variational auto encoder that we need to create the loss function for, so that way we can train our AI model to draw a picture of a cat. Good to have you here. So can you print hello world? Of course you can print hello Python. Print hello. We'll say hello user. VR3LL. What is your name? What is your name? There you go. Printed. Whoa. Here. Let me copy and paste that real quick. I'll grab this, paste. There we go. Printed. Done. Printed. Right there. Print. There you go. Printed. Success. Done. All right. Bring this back over here. Let's see. You're not gonna lie. If you had an Apple computer, you'd still put Linux on it. Would you really? Bonzoopy. Hey, XD11, good to have you here. Protect your RAM. Someone might want to steal it. They might, yep. They might, you never know. Oh, you didn't realize the YouTube chat was on Twitch too? Yeah, it is. Yep, it's on both. We got them on both, so that way you guys can, you know what's going on when I'm talking most of the time, yeah. Better than Windows 11 on gaming. Linux could be sometimes. Yo, Bimpa, hello, Steven. Hey, good to see you, Bimpa. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Hope you're having a good weekend so far. We're going to continue with our KL divergence, which you taught me about a little bit yesterday. Thank you, Bimpa. You told us about it yesterday. Thank you. What resource do you suggest to learn Rust? I've got my favorite one. It's called Google for Rust by Example. And then you could type video. And if you want, I have a whole bunch of hey, look, it's me. Hey, look at that. Yep. So these are all my video courses if you want Rust by Example. And it runs through the actual Rust by Example website. And it goes through all of them. You get the entire series. If you want, you can just go to the website directly. So Rust by Example website, and this will give you the hello worlds and things like that. And you can follow along. Press the play button, works in your phone, easy, right there. You can print a whole bunch of things right there. Run that. Hello world, right there. That's how you do that. So Ibrahim, that's how you do that if you want. Thank you, 10 out of 10, like the stream, appreciate it, Agony. All right, you guys, what are your initial days of learning coding language like? C++, it was. West Paka, Rust versus C++. I prefer Rust now because of how good the compiler is. Parallelism safety, concurrency safety, memory safety, all at compile time, right? Yo, Francois, hey, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Bro, hey, Specs, BTO. Oh, BTO. What is BTO? Specs, good to see you as well. Hi, Francois. Hey, how's it going there, Leon? Hey, Leon, brother, what's up? Good to have you here. Rockin' Brain. Hey, welcome on in, Rockin' Brain. Good to see you as well. Happy Sunday. Hope you're doing good. Are you a furry? Hey, Specs. Good question. Let's see. I have verified my phone number to whisper to you like you just whisper. Oh, really? I didn't know you had to do that. Wow. Why are you not reading my messages? Oh, I just did. Sorry. Good afternoon, Steven. Thank you. Good afternoon. Yo, Arakus. Wait, is it Arakus? Heaven? Wait, Hivini? Arakus Hivini. Hi, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. We got to write our Rust function. I saw a bunch of types. I saw your typing over there, Muga fan. All right. Let's see here. What are we building? All right. So Raptor 8. Yo, Raptor 8. We are building a variational autoencoder. This is an AI image generation model similar to Stable Diffusion. And we're going to have it learn how to draw a picture of a cat. That's what we're doing right now. Is Rust a coding language? Yes. Penguins. Yes, Rust is a coding language. Variational, Leon. You got it. I went and made my research regarding vibrational autoencoding. Oh, you meant variation. Okay, yeah. You've stumbled things you don't understand. Yeah, same too. So I don't know this KL. I don't understand the KL part of this. Wait, no. Where did I do that? Right here. Device. The KLD weights, right? This part right here. I don't I mean, we're gonna work through it. So this is what we have to write today. So we've got the algorithm here, and we have to convert this to Rust. So that's what we're doing right now. Which ML framework? Oh, Raptor, this is the Candle library. Rust Candle, clear, okay, Google. All right, thank you, Muga. All right, thank you, Joe Codes. Thank you, Joe Codes. I mean, I've got an idea here. Joe Codes, let's do this. Here we go. There you go. Hey, Joe Codes, you've got new special powers now. Hey, it's at Otakus. Wait, Otakus Heaven YouTube. Oh, got it. Okay, there we go. Thanks for the hearts, you guys. Otakus Heaven YouTube. Good to know. What's the difference between Rust and Lua? Well, Lua is an interpreted language, right? Similar to Python. It's got a JIT, I believe, which does have some compiling a little bit. Thank you, Muga, for the hydrate. Posture check. I've got good posture. We're good to go. And Rust is a compiled language, which it's very strict and it's highly performant. Lua is fantastic. It's usually used in embedded programming with IoT devices, even in game engines, right? Roblox, for example, heavy Lua, a lot of other engines like that. Yo, Darren. Hey, Darian Johnson. Thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. We're building our drink water 3 times. That's too many times. I can do it once. Evil laugh, right? Here, I'll do another one. We'll do another one. What do you think about Java? Hey, you already know my opinion on Java. I've got opinions on Java because I have real-world experience with mega-scale systems. Because my company, PubNub, we have 3 major Java systems at my company today. We have Kafka, we've got Elastic, and we've got Cassandra. And all 3 are abhorrently expensive. And they're all Java, and that's the one thing they have in common. Could you make them faster? Probably. Are they? No. They're obscenely expensive, and it's just a waste of resources. That's why. Vim spotted A. I love Jesus. All right, 5,000. Yep, you got it. Vim right here. You know it. Weights are important. Its implementation should be straightforward. Yes, I think we're going to have a good time with it. Any moderator here can make me a moderator. Oh, good question. Oh, okay. All right, here we go. Let's see. Which ML? All right, so if I missed your chat message, you guys just let me know. All right, let's get going with our KLD weights here. You're no warning for spamming. Exactly. Oh, there you go. Boom. Muga fan timed out. Hey, how's it going there, Raj? Hey, Raj, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Sunday. Waste of resources and what? Why are they expensive? Heavy memory, heavy CPU. It is just such a CPU consumptive thing, and it wastes memory. It's just a bucket of wasted memory for all 3 of these systems, and they're all Java. And so that's the only thing I can tell you. At scale, Java fails. When it's on your device and it's just a single user app, it's not that bad. Yo, what's the setup? Oh, what's up step? Wait, I see 8905. What does that mean? What's up step? I don't know. What is up step? What is that? What is up step? Came to your stream after a week. Hey, Raj, welcome on back. Good to have you here. Lua is both interpreted and a JIT. It's got both. That's right. I've used the JIT. I've used the JIT version of that. Just-in-time compiler. For those interested, you want to use it with modern system language like Rust, Zig, and Odin. There should be easy bindings. It's a really good scripting language, right? Oh, it's like a fantastic, bolt-on I love it. I love it. Adding into your project. Hater Omar, good to see ya. Can you say that Hater is the best? Hater is the best. Hater, you're the best. I'm learning a lot, honestly, from you. Yo, Leon, that's good to hear. Thank you. Good feedback. Good feedback. Excellent. We're going to be building this loss function today right here. We have got a lot to do. Quite a bit. I need to apply for your company. Yo, Raj, absolutely. We've got some roles open. So let me see here. Do we have... Here we go. So we got a software engineering role available right now. We also have a couple other roles here. Some lifestyle marketing and marketing manager stuff. Right there. Right there. So if you want, I'll put this in our link share in Discord. Right here. Link share in Discord. If you are interested. There you go. Let's see. All right, so we need our KLD here. So we'll grab this. How about we'll do it right here. All right, KLD weight, and this will be an and tensor. And then we need to bring this over here. Where is that? Do we have this? Right here. Perfect. Okay. And we need to pass that into our loss function. Our loss function right there. All right. Let's see. Where did I put that at? Where did I put that at? Did I even do that yet? Where is that? What line is that? 179? Is this it right here? Okay, I do. Okay. So this will be the and KLD. Wait, perfect. Okay. Let's get the Nux song going. Let's go right here. Okay. Perfect. Is this correct? No, right here. All right. Better? Nope, still got an error. Cannot find value because I didn't define it at the right spot, maybe? All right, let's go back up here. Where's our last output? Okay, perfect. Where here? So let's just define it here. All right, there we go. Everything up and away, looking good. I can't be a senior engineer because I'm fresher. Oh, well, all right. Maybe as a junior ML engineer. Oh, hey, ML machine learning. There we go. So I'll let you know. We did have a couple of those roles. They are already filled. They are filled now. I'll let you know on our Discord when we have more roles available. When they are ready to go. All right, let's see here. So I've got my I'm pretty sure this is a tensor. I mean, it doesn't matter if it is a scalar or not. I think it should be enough. So we got our KLD and then our output on our loss. So then I'd love to print our loss. So let's do print ln explanation point. Let's grab this. Did I? Yes, I did. Okay. We'll do a colon question mark loss, and then I'd probably want to print this is that this is a loss here. All right, let's try that. Looking good. All right, cargo run. See where we're at. Did we get the loss? We're printing out too much stuff. Let me see here. You remember me? Hey, Space Guy. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you back. Welcome. Happy Sunday. All right, here, 1 second. Print ln. All right, optimize. Where do we want to grab this? So I don't want to print that right now. Just hide that. Rerun it. Lost. There we go. Tensor F64. Okay, so I probably don't need the question mark. So let's go here. Close this. Reload it. Rerun. Test it. Look good. Oh, no, that's correct. All right, we're looking good. It's Space Guy or Spice Guy. Wait, space. Yeah, well, it's one of the others. Yo, Raptor, but unfortunately not freshers. Okay, yeah. Hey, Cardinal, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. Cardinal, hi. Hey, welcome on in. Okay. We're gonna finish our loss function today. Where's this at? If we take a look right here. So I need to, what is, oh, that's what's going on. Okay, 1 second. I want to redo this here. Where's this at? Right here. I want to take a look at this real quick. All right. Okay, got it. All right. I think I prefer that because it's one line. It's on one line rather than two. So I'm going to keep it with the debug right there. Peace be upon you, brother. Happy Sunday, bro. Mr. Detective Dark 007, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. All right, 1 second. Okay. Okay. We're continuing our loss function from yesterday. So we need to finish the loss function because in order to get the model to actually learn, we have to tell it how wrong it is, right? So when we show the picture of the cat, and that's the output of the cat, we need to show how wrong the model is, because right now the model's giving us this, and it's not quite the cat. So we have to define the loss function. Here we go, loss function. And then we need to write these things out here. So we've got our initial loss, and then I need to calculate the Kale divergence. So just around here somewhere. Basically all these things here. Basically all these things. Okay, so loss reconstruct. So we did our MSE. We've got that one already. So we got our initial loss. And now let's do the KLD loss. And I'm just gonna call this. Oh, unless I need to redo the loss again. So where's this? So this is the recon loss. Oh, we need multiple losses. Oh, got it. Okay. So this is the reconstruction loss right here. I just reached 5 subs. Yo, hey, Space Guy, congratulations. That's good to hear. Fantastic. Hello, are you writing an image generation model? I am a Ryzen CPU. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. I hope you're having a good weekend so far. Yes, we're drawing a picture of a cat. You got 5 subs yesterday. Hey, Space Guy, that's great to hear. The kale divergence. Yes. the leaf, the kale leaf. What kind of green vegan propaganda is everyone knows, and the beans are superior? Well, they are. You got to hate the beans. Bimpa, is the loss 0.005? Is it? What was the loss? Oh, well, we want the loss to be low. Oh, right. You see, cargo run. The loss is right here currently. However, that's not going to give us because that's just the MSE. That's the mean squared error. That's just MSE. Instead of eating beans, eat greens. Hey, there you go. Hey, Shahadev, Mahate, thank you for, Mahato. Hey, thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. Let's build ourselves a generative AI image model. I'm really excited about this. All right. This guy's part of the problem. Is it baked beans, British style? I like baked beans. Baked beans are great. You got to eat the beans in all the different fun ways. All right, so we finished this. This is our first loss. Now we need a KLD loss. So let's do a KLD loss. And we're going to make that as an average over the sum. I'm going to have to put this on multiple lines. Yo, Yasan. Hey, Yasan. Thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. We're building ourselves a variational autoencoder. Hey, Mason Drake, I'm back. Hey, good to have you here. And Crazy Fanda, welcome on in. Thank you for saying hi. Mason Drake as well. Good to have you here. We took over the world on baked beans. Joe, you did. You certainly did. You got those baked beans. It's literally nighttime and almost bedtime for you. Oh, Space Guy. So I can only watch this for stream for a little bit. All right, sounds good. Hey, let's go in there. Prismo. Wait, Prismo? Robin? Wait, not Prismo from Adventure Time, right? Probably different. Yo, Rocco, good to see you. Well, I'm watching because I don't understand the thing you're trying to do. Oh, hey, good. Well, perfect. This is where you're going to figure this out. We're going to be building the KL divergence today. KL divergence. That's what we're doing right now. Ocean 21, good to see you. Hey, today is my birthday. Sure, Well, you know what? I can't tell if it is or not. So happy birthday either way. Happy birthday, Ocean. Construction loss must be really high. Is it? Oh, it's got to be high? Okay. So is it the reconstruction or construction loss? So let's see. So this is it's called reconstruction loss, but I'm calling it loss because that's just the MSE from the output and the target, which is the cat and then the random, right? Falafel is beans on toasted flatbread. Falafel is? Wait, that's what a falafel is? Well, I mean, technically it's chickpeas, right? Or garbanzo beans. What's your loyal training pipeline like? Oh, well, yeah, that's actually really straightforward. You just add on, you generate a separate side matrix, right? A side model that learns along with the inputs, right? So you start your laurel at zeros. Every layer starts at zeros. And then you do fine tuning and train. You only update the weights in the Laurel low rank adaptation matrix, right? It's not that tricky. You just You just take all the layers that you can compare that are linear dense layers, and then you create additional layers for those. You line them up, and then you add them back into the original model. It's really straightforward. It's really straightforward. It seems like all those things are so advanced, right? Oh, it's a Laurel. Low adaptation rank, right? Oh, it's so fancy. Oh, you know what? It actually just turns out it's just more numbers. So it is. It's just more numbers. Every culture has beans on bread in some way, Bonzupi. You know what? That's a good point. They sure do. This library seems easy to use. Oh, it is. Hey, Raptor, it's a great library. I recommend this library right here. If you guys never used the Candle library in Rust, it is the best. Hello, everyone. Hey, Adnan, good to see you. Welcome on in. Your phone lost service before I got to Spring River. Well, it seems like you got it back, which is a good thing. How fast can I type? Pretty fast, around 60 words per minute. About 60 RPM. Hello, what are we doing today? Hey, Hot Stepper. Yo, welcome in. It's Hot Stepper. We're building a variational autoencoder today. Today we're working on the loss function. The loss function, which is a little bit of a KL divergence there. And we're drawing a picture of a cat. That's what we're gonna do. It's an AI model that we're writing from scratch that's gonna generate a cat picture. You hate inheritance. Oh, me too. It's not you're right. You don't need to use inheritance. You never hardly ever do. In computer science and in the world, most of the time, you has a, not an is-a, if you know the difference. So there's a has-a and there's an is-a. These are two separate things. The subtitles didn't get it right. However, it's an as-a versus his-a. So as-a or an is-a, right? Which means it's an inheritance, right? Inherit, right? Or it just imports. Right, and every time you do import, it's actually primrose. Oh, like a flower. Oh, primrose. I'm gonna say primrose. Primrose. Got it. All right. Thank you. I not Prismo. Primrose. There we go. To test play monkey type. We could do that. Actually, that might kind of be between Google monkey type. Is a game, right? Well, it's a speed thing, yeah? Oh, hey, look. Hey, look at that. Right there. All right. Through or keep more large, make those up. There, I'm typing really good now. Now, play face, do hand, get other problem during word. I'm a CS engineer. Nice. Never form and few. No from against. Oh my goodness. Hold. All right. So that was actually not bad. That was pretty good. You're trying to understand for a few days, but you still don't understand. Hey, Firkin. Hey, Firkinilman. Is that how you say your name? You know what? It takes a while. It does. Every day you learn a little bit more, and then eventually something clicks. Eventually it'll click. You're a CS engineer in training, just found your channel. Oh, and I'm interested. Subscribe. Hey, Hot Stepper. Excellent. Good to hear it. Well, you joined the right channel for software engineering. This is what we do all day long is we code. We code by hand. We are coding by hand today. All right, where's our error at line 157? Right here. All right. All right. Let's bring that back. All right, good to go. All right, so let's do this. Let's create our... Hey, I was going there. Ani Bensonod. Wait. Anna Ben. I'm having a hard time with your name. Let's see, what are we doing today? We are writing the loss function right here for our variational autoencoder. It's going to help us draw a picture of a cat. Mason Drake, everything, all the things. Part 5? Well, part 9. That's what we've been doing this for a few days. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. It takes a really long time to master anything. Yes, it does. It takes a while. You're not even done after you're never done because it's a forever new learning thing, right? Something that those of you starting really need to understand early is that it's a forever learning thing. Yeah, you don't get to a point where you're done. It's forever. I'm with you on that. Coding by hand is the real essence. Telling ChatGPT code for you feels like you're cheating on something that you worked very hard for. It is, right? It's cheating. You know, that's okay though. Because everyone's expecting you. They're expecting you for that. They're expecting it. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. All right, let's see if we can figure this out. Let's see here. All right, so we need to finish this line right here. All right, here we go. One moment. We've got a build failure, and we're going to fix it. We're going to fix the build failure. This is... So we need to do this part right here. Okay. Yo, Juan Claro. Thank you. Claro. Yo, Juan Claro. Thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Welcome on in. Hey, how's it going there? Mnodi. Hey, Mnodi. Good to see you. By the way, I do archery. You do. So you have the bow and arrow. You got the bow and arrow there. 3 more days and the heat wave is going away. Mason Drake, I'm looking forward to it. I am looking forward to it. A little bit of water there. Okay. Let's see here. I'm interested in getting this to work here. So this is our loss. This is our KLD loss. So torch means we need average. I'm going to do multiple steps here. I'm going to do multiple steps. Let's pull this in. So we're going to do the mean. But on this, I'm going to do the sum on this. So we need to do this part first. All right. Let's do this part here. We'll do this part first. So this will be our first loss. KLD loss equals this. Here, and then I'm going to close this for a second so I can see that. Close this. Okay. So that's our first. Let equals. So that's step 1. We need to make sure that's a .0 there. You went to the Wayback Machine and saw YouTube look like back in 2009. What did it look like? I'm actually kind of curious. You guys want to see? Google Wayback Machine. Let's pull this up. Let's go to YouTube. Let's see, youtube.com. All right, let's go back to 2009. Here we go. Let's click on it. Let's see what we got. Let's see what it looks like. Kind of curious. One time I had a heat wave for 1 week. That's a long heat wave. All right, is it loading? I'm going to try to boost this up another window here. All right, it's loading. It's just Wayback Machine is really slow. Wayback Machine is fantastically slow. All right, as soon as it stops spinning, I'll jump back into it. All right, so in order to get this to work, we need a lot of extra stuff here. All right, so we don't have the EXP, I don't think. We might. Okay, so we got the EXP. That's the var log, and we called this the FC var, and I called this the FCMU. CFC, right? I think those are 2 separate things, right? Let me double check. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. So, yo. Here we go. 1 second. This is gonna take a while to build. See here. Yeah. Question mark there. Okay. Can we do this in multiple? We could probably do this even in multiple steps. So let's do this in multiple steps, yeah? So let's grab this. I think we can do this. And when you do an operation, you always get out a result. Green. Oh, wait, no. Oh, right. There we go. Easy. You love YouTube back in the 2000s? Yo, this is YouTube in 2009, you guys. Look at this. What? This is what this was? Really? Wow. This is amazing. I was unexpected. Can we click? What happens if we click this? What's new? YouTube greeting cards, captions and subtitles, video annotations. Wow. It looks so much different today. 5th grade sucks, does it, Mason? What's the animated build log? How do I get it? Oh, hey, Zachy. Zachy was here. This is called Rust Bacon. So Rust Bacon, and I added some good looking, let's see, where is this at? Here, maybe? Here we go. Yeah, so you can get a build success or build failure. I'll throw this on our Discord under link share. Let's see, link share, there you go. And this will give you the ability to get sound effects when the build successes or when the build fails. And you get really pretty pictures when it builds or fails. The content would be way different. There was very little, wouldn't show at one point. Joe, are you talking about the, can you make Sonic Game Blaster? Sure, yeah, yes we could. I know how to do it. I do. Curious to know if the compilation time becomes the bottleneck for this. Oh, It doesn't, because iterative builds are really fast. So watch this. Done, right? That was a second. It only took a second. Iterative builds are fast. Zaki was here. Cool. All right. Good to hear it. Good to hear it. Yeah. So this is what I use because it's very satisfying. It's very satisfying. Also, it makes it easier to read what the errors are, because you can see here on the screen, like these errors here. These errors are a lot easier to understand. Because it's like, oh, go to line 156. Because usually the compiler is really verbose. It's going to give you a lot of output, and then you have to scroll back up to find it. You got to scroll it up. A little bit of scrolling. Okay, here we go. Oh, you want the Discord? Hey, you're looking for the Discord? All right, well, we can help you out with that. This is just for Zaki was here, you guys. All right, let's grab this for you on the link share. Thank you for the reactions. You're wonderful. You guys, you're wonderful. Thank you. Generate a new link. Here we go. All right, Zaki was here just for you at Zaki with a K. All right, that's for Zaki. That's Zaki's special link. You tried to load a video, but it gave you a JavaScript error saying, hello, you either have a JavaScript turned off, which you definitely don't, or an old version of Adobe Flash Player. Get the Adobe Flash Player. Yeah, I remember that. Oh, look, I did too. You need to upgrade your Adobe Flash Player to watch this video. Download it from Adobe. Do you remember those days? You can get Adobe Flash Player in your Chrome browser. It's like I've got a plugin. Would you suggest hardware C6050, 650 free YouTube courses for beta? I actually don't know what that is. Dr. K? Kind of off topic, but have you ever tried Julia, the programming language? I have not tried Julia. Let's see here. Let's go let's see if we can get some example syntax for Julia programming language syntax example. Let's see what Julia looks like, you guys. Let's take a look here. Oh, hey, here we go. Here's some Julia. We got the hashtag comments. We got variable assignments. We've got a name, and you can do type annotations, explicit typing. And then you've got some math and Unicode support. Nice. And some expressions right there. A little bit of expressions. Very nice. Looking good. Adobe Flash was the reason you learned what a CVE is. Yeah, the vulnerabilities there. Yes, can I make a Sonic Blaster? Wait, are you talking? Oh, a song Sonic Blaster. I probably could, although I'm not really a musician. I'm not a musician. Can I port this to Kotlin? Yeah, absolutely. I think so. You probably could. I think so. Hey, Gloomy, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday, Gloomy. I hope you're having a good weekend so far. We are, oh, show Cinnabar. Yeah, can I? Can I show Cinnabar? Bonzupi, is that something I can do? Gloomy, it's good to have you here. Let's see, I'm sorry did you finally get to solve the KL diversions? Oh, we did not. We're not done yet. We're barely getting started here. We're barely getting started. So is that, there we go. Okay, so I should be able to do this. I think that's something that I should be able to do. So there are two tensors, and I should be, oh, this is not a tensor though. I feel like that should be possible. Am I doing this wrong? I feel like that should be possible because it's a tensor, yeah? It's a tensor. It should work. It's a tensor and a scalar. It's not a real, okay. C, there we go. Hey, there we go. All right, we're making incremental progress, you guys. We're making, you're working, but it's great. Thanks. Oh, good to hear. Excellent. Good to hear, Gloomy. Good to hear it. Just long everyone knows it's not really for use. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. Got it. Okay. So let me, if you guys are interested, I'm going to show you Cinnabar. 1 second. Let me go over here, click the buttons. 1 second. Where are we at? Here we go. Okay. I'm going to find the link. Is this it here? Can I do this? Is this correct? Yes, it is. Okay. All right. Here's Cinnabar. I am very satisfied. Let's see here. Linear handles. This is this is my favorite one right here. I like the enums. Here is an example of Cinnabar. It's got an enum and a type. So it's a type. A type could be essentially a struct or an enum at the same time, as far as I understand it. And then you can match on that, the same as you can do in Swift and Rust. It's really great. It's a great programming language. I love it. Do you work 7 days a week? 2? I sure do. It seems like it. And then on the weekends, I take like an extra hour off, right? In the evening or in the afternoon. Can you do the cluster from Fortnite? Edit on the background. What is Mason Drake? What does that mean? What do you mean by that? I might be able to, although if it's music related, it's Creative Commons. I love your style. Oh wait, you love your style live content. Yo, hey RCS, thank you. RC Supremacy. Hey RC Supremacy, thank you. That's awesome. Have you ever did code for model trains? I've not. I've never done code for model trains. I know what you're talking about though. Didn't normalize working 7 days a week. Oh, don't normalize it. Well, okay. We'll try our best. We'll try our best. Let's see, going back over here. Okay, bring this back in. Cinnabar is great, Bonzupi. I'm really excited to try it out when it gets ready. Let's see, linear handles. Let's see, so the part I don't understand is what is a nat? What is nat? Natural? Why does there need to be a nat there? On the weekends, I only work 14 hours a day. Though being a CEO would give me some freedom. You thought it would, right? Instead, you're working more. How do you balance your work and social life? You just put all into work, and then anything that's extra that's left over is a social life. That's how it works. Anything that's left over for the day. Bonzupi, and when you match on an enum, you have to match on every type declared in it to handle it. Nice. Full matching. Excellent. I love that. I love that. That's awesome. This is so old. Wait, is it? Is it really? The rubber duck from Fortnite. Oh, rubber duck from Fortnite. Well, what do you mean here? Like in this section here? Is what you're saying, Mason Drake? That's something that we could try. You have to remind me though. You have to remind me. Nat is a native function. It is, what does that mean? Basically, Cinnabar's way of interacting with libc. Oh, okay. All right. I'm not familiar with that strategy. That sounds pretty interesting, though. You're going to see how Face Mash. Oh, the 2003 Facebook looks like. Mnodi. That's actually going to be interesting. It's going to look very ancient. It's going to look super ancient. Term network. Oh, right. Network address table, right? Network address table. It's a lookup table to say what ports and addresses are being used in combination. Yes, NAT. Mm-hmm. Chips for specific devices? I think it's just a network address lookup table. I don't know about specific devices. Story of every founder. Give up job for freedom. Yeah, that's the way it is. Only work even if the clients are shareholders. You got to work forever. Loop, work if social.life is some panic expected free time. Yeah. If social life is some panic, yeah. A unexpected free time. Because you have to work constantly. Really good at distributed compute? I am good at distributed compute. It's something I've done for decades now. It's something I've done for decades. Hiran, good to see it. Welcome on in, yo. Shift 24 hours awake, 6 hours sleep when you are hyper focused. There's a lot that you have to give up. It's true. Although it's a lot of fun though. It is. It can also be fun. All right. So this is Kale loss, the first one. Now let's do the next one. Let's do the next loss here. Kale loss next. So we took care of this. So let's subtract. We'll subtract the FMU here. Oh, but we have to exponent this though. We have to exponent this. So I need to do that here like this. And I don't know how to do that. So let's figure this out. Let's figure it out. It's rewarding when you achieve something. It doesn't feel like I'm missing out on most people think. I'm nuts working like this. It is rewarding, isn't it? It is, especially when you feel really productive. Oh, it's so good. And you've achieved some good numbers. Those are the nights that I sleep the best. After working really, really hard and achieving something. It doesn't say face mash. It says about face. It is just info and about things. So Mnodi, you're saying that it's not really a website yet at this point. At that point, it's not really a website. People don't you see the freedom they lose by choosing a job? Own the latter, or you lose, right? You don't see what you lose. Yes, and when you tick off everything from a list, it's great. Yes, right? You create a list. These are all the things I got to do today. Got to take care of them today. And then I got that one done. That one's done. That one's done. Got to finish the last two. So, Spotify looked back in 2009. Was Spotify around back then? Was it even back around then? I don't even think. Was it? Let's find out. Let's try it. All right. Let's go Spotify.com. Is that available? Yes, this is the one right here. Right there. All right. Let that load right there. Oh, it didn't exist. Oh, it's having trouble. Spotify. Let's see. Go back here. We'll try it again. Okay. Let's try it. Spotify. Can we do that? Is that something that's going to work? Search. Is that working? Oh, is this it? We're going to let it load. Launched in 2008. Oh, okay. Was founded in 2007 and went public in 2008. Wow, that was fast. What is your experience in distributed systems since you mentioned decades? Yes. So I've been building multi-compute system code that runs on multiple systems, right? So you've got usually like a database or a messaging bus or maybe a cache layer. So I've been piecing together and writing my own distributed systems from scratch. And at PubNub, we're a globally distributed messaging bus. In the CAP theorem, we're eventually consistent and very, very, very fast. In the microseconds in the same region and in the milliseconds cross region, right? So globally distributed messaging infrastructure that allows you to communicate with other users on your device very quickly with a guaranteed message delivery bus. Store and forward and redelivery. This is something that I wrote in C many, many years ago. I wrote it all in C. The idea is I want extreme reliability, and the only way to get that is to build a durable system that requires multiple server nodes. And so you need to have replicas, a copy of data. So the idea is high replication. So you replicate to all the systems, and then you track where the data is available through a horizon. You check if the system has the data that the user is looking for when they're trying to connect. And if they do, then you connect them and subscribe them to the end server. That's kind of how that works on my side. Hey, I love Liberty Justice. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. PubNub has very low latency, doesn't it? It does have very low. That's like one of the things I'm very prideful about is our performance. You should wait a bit. I'll make a post on your community tab to show you how Spotify looked in 2009. Okay, sounds good. I'll wait. Can you send me a 3D printer? I probably not a good idea. I'm not supposed I technically yes is the answer. Are we going to? Probably not. Why don't you do a live to show a project using PubNub or Blocks? Oh, we do on a regular basis. No, don't send anything to anyone. Exactly. Yeah, we're not going to send. Oh man, I know it's a problem. It's a problem. We can't do that. For multiple reasons. Yo, Amit, long time no see. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. Let's continue with our loss calculator, yeah? So we need to figure out how to do this. Is this correct? No, we need to figure this out here. So what I need to do is do Google Candle Rust for, let's see, how do we do this? Can we do this? I need a square, right? SQUAR, square tensor. What is the, tensor? What's tensor? There we go. A little bit of tensor there. All right, here's what I'm looking at. All right, this is, oh, that's easy. Or you could do power F2. All right, let's do square. That's easy. All right, so this is going to be a dot SQR. Wait, was it SQR? Question mark. There we go. Like that. And that should get us the next one. Yeah, green. Yeah, there we go. Looking good. Hey, Cactile, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Sunday. I'm so curious. Why is it a problem to send stuff now? I will tell you. Hey, let's go in there. At ShronNet. Atro. Yo, Atro, thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Today, we're building a variational autoencoder. We're working on the loss function, so that way we can train our AI image model to draw a picture of a cat. That's what we're doing today. Done, you posted it on your community tab? All right, sounds good. All right, so fill the pill. There are like, I don't know, you're not supposed to, it's a problem to play, how do I say this? It could be construed that I'm trying to manipulate you in some way, right? If I send anyone gifts. And that can be a problem for me, and I can't do that. That's why I can't send you any gifts. There's some stranger people out there. There are some strange ones. It's fine to return your address and bribery. See, it'd be bribery, it's manipulation, and it is something that can be construed in a legal manner, something that I cannot do. So I'm be very good there. Matched PubNub latency within the range of 0 to 50, print real time, unreachable. Did someone use my social life as a network? I see what you said there, Gloomy. I like that. That's a good one. We're going to check out the community tab here real quick. So Stephen Blum here real quick. Stephen Blum on YouTube. All right. Let's take a look. So I'm interested in the community tab here. Where's that at? Right here. There we go. All right. Okay, thanks for clearing. Appreciate it up. Yep, absolutely. Do it tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. or rubber duck from the Fortnite because I have... Oh, what is that like... What is that? So I'm not super fair. So let's see here. Newest. Here we go. Make a live stream. All right, we did. Question. Can I only open HTML5s on a Chromebook? And it's a problem since I code games. Oh, I answered this, I believe, right? Did I answer this? Yes, I did. Okay, good. I don't see it. It's not showing up. Where's it at? All right, we're live. Make a live. All right, we're live. We're live now. There we go. We're live right now. All right. I don't know why it didn't appear. Oh, me neither. I have no idea what's going on. That is very strange. It is strange indeed. Here, let's go back. Here we go. All right, newest. There we go. Image. I don't see it. Okay. Maybe refresh. Okay, here we go. Refresh. New. It's not there. It's weird. Search cluster from Fortnite. All right. Google cluster Fortnite. I spelled Fortnite correctly. Oh, we're good. Okay, so this cluster, I'm not familiar with this character. You don't want to use the B word? Wait, what? Yeah, folks online are so strange. You are correct. They are some strange. We got some strange characters here. Hey, I'm Sir A. Rude Rocks. Good to see you. Welcome on back. Okay. Who is Cluster? Let's see. I missed some of your chats, you guys. I feel like you are doing most of your machine learning work in Rust. Yes, how do you compare the machine learning? Python is a lot more straightforward. Python is easier to use. Python with PyTorch. Way easier. Rust has some restrictions. Like, for example, in order to do math, look at this right here. Look at that right here. This is weird. I have to wrap this in parentheses and put a question mark right here. Right here. This is weird. You don't have to do that in Python. In Python, you can just do this. Right? This is Python right here. It's easier. This is valid Python right here. Is it worthwhile to learn machine learning using Python? Yes. Or does Rust have an advantage? Rust is just faster and it has better safety mechanisms. See, we want to deploy a system that generates DPPS on the fly on a factory floor and synced globally. Oh, that's what I do. It's called lockstepping. It's a broadcast lockstep. DPPS can be in the billions with hierarchy. Maybe our solution is potential use case. I would say start with us. I mean, of course I'm going to tell you start. Give it a try. Just see if it works. Yes, absolutely. Raptor. Yes, Raptor rate. I think that's a good idea to at least, because it's really easy. It's really easy. So you've got simple, here's the send command, right? So you can send whatever data you want, right? And you can publish it. And then it shows up on the other side. It's send and receive. It's super easy. How about PyTorch versus TensorFlow? TensorFlow with Keras is easier. PyTorch is more of the components, and you piece them together individually. So they do have some built-in, fully ready-made models in PyTorch. Really, though, Keras and TensorFlow is good for that. Keras and TensorFlow with is going to be a little bit easier. I like PyTorch, though. I like PyTorch. That's where my satisfaction's at. Check your Discord community tab. Post disappeared, probably because they put it in the Wayback Machine. Oh, you put a URL in, maybe, yeah. I'll try reloading that. If you put an image, just put an image. Just do an image. Let me try. Sounds good. At 2, you're going to have home today and tomorrow. All right, sounds good, Mason. Sounds good. Depends. So tomorrow I stream at 8 to 9:30. So I've got a different schedule tomorrow, which is around the same time. Have you ever done TensorFlow Lite? TensorFlow Lite? Yes. Lite? Yes. TensorFlow Lite. Feel like you made your own library in his brain? I have made my own library. I have. I've made it from scratch. And we've done this about 3 times on stream so far. And I had to do this sometimes because some of the deployment environments that I was targeting didn't even have a machine learning framework or a deep learning framework. A live video. Have I used TensorFlow while streaming? Just a smidgen. Maybe like just a smidgen. Not like multiple days. Just a smidgen, Sergio. A little bit. Not much though. What would you say about the production? What is PyTorch used for TensorFlow production systems? They are similar. They're very similar. PyTorch is a little more optimized these days because you can compile into I believe, a mega kernel. So you can do a mega kernel in PyTorch. I don't know if you can do that in TensorFlow. You made your own medical library. Hey, very nice. Hey, Ritual. Thank you, Ritual, for the posture check. We're ready to go. Hey, Muga. Hey, welcome on back. Waiting for 9 minutes so I can get back on the timeout. No. Hey, you're back. You're back. Good to have you here. Check the post again. All right, let's check it out. Here we go. Reload. Newest. Hey, there it goes. Right there. Check this out. Look at that right there. All right, let's zoom in on that, yeah? A little bit of zoom. A world of music, instant, simple, and free. Click the button. PM tomorrow, please. What time zone? What time zone is that? Where do you get the message on YouTube Studio? You, Stephen Belong, replied to your post. What does that mean? Mugafan, what do you mean? I have to check it. I have to check it manually. This is amazing. Is there another step to this here? Yo, hey, look at that right there. 2009 logo. If you remember Spotify, it used to look like this. We should do an optimized AI kernel soon. Yeah, I would love to do that. That would be great. So that is going to be future streams. Oh, I'm so excited about that. All right, hey Sergio, you got me excited. Oh, I'm so excited about this. All right, so stream ideas. I know we have like kernels. Let's see, kernel. I know we've done this. Here we go, right here. MLX custom GPU kernels. Hey, there we go. You're going to post on your community. All right, sounds good, Muga fan. The laptop you saw is Fujitsu laptop. That's the laptop right here. Right, that's the one. That's the one that you had repaired, right? Did you have it repaired, or it's brand new? Yeah. Was it repaired, or did you just recently purchase it? You should play Fortnite. Hey, Mason Drake. I've done shooters before. I've been pretty good at it. Ritual J Rocks. Oh, hey, Claude Code Codex for app dev with security. Heard Codex needs security certificate. You do? Oh, you don't. No, I don't think so. You just need an account. Just need regular account. I think so. It was secondhand. Okay. 2 p.m. What time zone though? What time zone at Mason? What time zone? This is crazy. All right, let's go back to this over here. All right, we've got a lot. Oh, I'm Sergio. I'm so excited. Time zone tomorrow? Yes. What time zone tomorrow? I'm going to have to get back to work. Sleep. Oh, keep smiling, Steven. Thank you, Gloomy. Enjoy the work, being productive. Check those items off the list. So which one is best? Claude Code Codex. Right now, Claude is best today. Codex is caught up, and anti-gravity is also really good. PM? No, time zone. Like, is it PDT? Is it EDT? Is it IST? Which time zone? See you, Gloomy. Okay, let's see here. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, you guys. I think we're gonna make a good plan here. Here we go. All right, redo, save that. Looking good. Okay, so we did this part here. That part's done. Now we need to do this. So we got to do this part right here. We got to do KL loss is going to be KL loss minus. This might just straight up work. This might straight up work. I'm not sure if it will or not. We're going to try it. Here we go. Try, test, good. Nope, that's got an error. Here. Good, good, good. Hey, there we go. We're making progress. Hey, how's it going there? Linneman. Linam. Hey, how have you been? I've been good, Linam. Thank you very much for asking. Happy Saturday. Or Sunday. Hope you're doing good today. Thank you all. See a lot of work to do. All right, sounds good, Ritual. Thank you for spending time with us. You were looking up them yesterday and couldn't believe they were only 100 lines of code. They are. Specific kernels can be pretty... Take care. Hey, Ryan, I see no Lisp. Oh, you want some Lisp? You want it almost is Lisp-like, right? Look at how many, right? So Lisp is, you've got your, it's very similar to assembly, right? You've got your operator, and then you've got your term, right? That's some Lisp right there, right? So you could say plus 1 and 2 is going to give you 3. That'll give you 3. So that's Lisp, right? You posted on YouTube community. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look, you guys. Grab this back over here. Reload. Newest. Hey. Yo. Hey. All right, let's read. What do you got over here? Yo, what's up, Steven? I just want to tell you that you're my favorite YouTuber streamer, and I've been learning coding for like 5 or whatever number of good. Oh, excellent. That's excellent. Nice. Good to see you live. Whole entire post. I don't know. Wow, thank you. That's great to hear. Nice. Let me zero. Nice. Here we go. Good to hear. Thank you. Exclamation point. All right. Hey, Muga fan. Thank you. 2004 Roblox. Was Roblox? When did Roblox come out? I'm actually curious. Google Roblox release date original. What was that? Was it 2004? It was. Yo. It doesn't work anymore. Yep, you got it. Now try Fortran or COBOL. See, I don't know those. I don't know those ones. I just know Lisp because of Emacs. Creators who made Wayback Machine. W to the creators. W to those. I see those. I'll definitely refer you guys to my team. Maybe we get to work on a near future. Seeking Series A funding in UAE? United Arab Emirates at the moment. Hey, all right, Raptor8. Hey, good luck. It sounds exciting. Actually, I'm kind of curious if you would. I'd be interested in learning what you're building. If you could send a message to me on Discord, maybe in a direct message, Raptor8. Raptor8 2872, let me know. Came out in 1989, actually. They started as an interactive physics. Did it really? What? Yo, Colin, I'm more of an old school C++ guy. Hey, there we go. Reptiles come straight from the rafters. They sure do, don't they? Oh, hey, Strike. Hey, Strike. What is the biggest project you've ever worked on? Is it PubNub? Technically, yeah. Technically, it is, yeah. Because I've been working there for many, many years now. Let's see, where is that at here? All right. Yeah, so that's the most longest I've ever worked at a place, which is, my own company, yeah. My own company, you guys. So yes, that has to be the largest, biggest project I've ever worked on. You'll join Discord? All right, sounds good. I'm curious about what you built over there. Thank you for asking, Strike. Thank you for asking about that. Let's see here. All right, very we go. Your Google profile picture is so creepy. Yeah, it is. Wait, not the Google one, right? So if we go here, you can see it's kind of animated, yeah? Zoom in there so you can see, yeah. It's animated. Lisp is really heavy on the nested parens. Yeah, it is. If I missed your message, you guys just let me know. Roblox Logopedia, and you'll see you don't choose with the icon ones. Okay. All right, so you said Roblox Logopedia. Is icon? What is this? Oh, from the... Okay. So it's OG, the OG icon. Yo, long time ago. Hey, Soki, good to see you. Welcome on in. Lewisburg. Oh, in Lewisburg? Where is that? Lewisburg. All right, so let's go. Oh, whoa. All right, 1 second. Paste this. All right, Lewisburg time zone. You are GMT -4. Pennsylvania? Oh, okay. See, I probably won't be at 2 p.m. at that time. But how to make it animated? It's just a GIF. Upload GIF. You upload a GIF, that's it. That's all you got to do. Upload a GIF. And then it's easy. Easy. It starts in 2 weeks. Hey, Soki. All right, good to hear it. You're excited? You got performance anxiety. Hey, don't worry. You just jump in, you learn things, you'll understand the systems that they've got going on over there. You'll read some documentation. You'll try to get things set up. You'll have like a couple days of onboarding. And then you'll start building some things. It'll go slow for a little while. And then after a couple of weeks, it'll be fine. Expectations. Hey, Yuval, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Why? Because I'm working. Mason. So I'll be live, let's see, that's probably, so 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'll be live around 12 to 1:30 p.m., about that time. 12 to 1:30 p.m. You're scared? Hey, you're going to be fine. First time reading code that's actively used. It'll work. It'll take a while. You'll get used to it. And writing code, you'll make it work. You could send a hydrate. Well, I'm gonna hydrate anyway. It's just a gift. Thank you. It's just a gift. Yes. All right, you guys. I'm excited. Let's do this. Let's fix our challenge here. Good to go. Green across the board. All right. No, we need to do this part here. So we get a sum on 1. So we have to sum on 1 here. Okay. I think we have to do Kale lost sum. So we're going to do this again. And then we're going to do this. We're going to take dot sum 1. Can we do that? Is that something we can do? And then we have to multiply it by 5 and then do an average. Okay. So let's do sum 1. Let's try it. Let's see if we can do that. All right. Looking good. Let's see if we can do an average now. All right. So we want to do a... can we do a mean? I actually don't know how to do that. We do a mean? Is that something we can do? No, it's not. Okay. We're going to have to look this up. Spamming Muga. It's always the same reason. Why did I get a channel warning? Oh, but how do I make an animated upload a GIF? Oh, so you make a video and then you convert the video to a GIF. So that's how you do that. So MP4 to GIF. That's how to do that. Just wait for an answer. Yes. Exactly, Joe Codes. Thank you. All right. A giraffe. A giraffe. Yeah. A GIF. Like that. Okay. You're not supposed to put the one with the icon. You're supposed to use one without the icons. Wait, Mnodi, what do you mean? Hey, CAO, good to see you. Welcome on in. Oh, got it, Mason. So I will be streaming before you're done, basically. Before you're done. You're personally working on a React Native meetup. Oh, nice. A meetup app. Ryan, great to hear. And the feature creep is real, isn't it? Whenever you're building a project, you always find new things to add in, right? Really, the thing that needs to work is you have to minimize. You have to reduce your features. Hey, I love Liberty Justice. Thank you for the high five. My gratitudes to you. Good to have you here. Thank you very much. I love Liberty Justice. It's good to see you. Sam, you got your first You were shocked how complex production code actually is and spent 2 days depressed looking at code? Yeah, it takes a while to get used to it. It really does. How do I make a GIF? Yeah. So make video first, then convert video to GIF. Go to GIF. That's how you do it. Hey, GDev Noel, welcome on in. Good to see you as well. Can I fix what you're trying to fix? Sure. Absolutely, AI can absolutely fix. It can. The good news is I don't need it to because I can fix it. I can fix it. Google. I need to do candle Rust. I need the mean. I need a mean tensor. I need to mean the tensor. I need to average the tensor here. That says calling mean. That's what I did. Is there another one? Mean keep dimensions. Is there another one? Let's see. List. I'm gonna see. List all mean functions. Let's list them all. Let's list them all. Your brother is mean to you? Hey, Mason, that's how it goes sometimes, right? There's got to be more than... no, there's more than that. I know there is. I've seen it before. I've seen it. I need a scalar. Mean doesn't work. Means... oh, this argument takes 1. Oh, did I miss something? 0, -1 maybe? You mean that... No. That doesn't work. Let's go 1. Let's try 1. See if that does the trick. All right, that worked, but I don't know if this is correct. I don't know if that's correct. Don't you ever get distracted, like keep switching context between reading and talking and writing code? It's kind of crazy. Crazy skill, honestly. Hey, Linum, yes, it is. It takes a lot of effort. Got to jump around because I've got Twitch over here, I've got YouTube over here, and then I've got code. I got to think about it. There's a lot of things. Then you click on the link and you'll see the 1989 logo. Mnodi. Roblox Logopedia. It's not supposed to say Roblox icon just without it. Okay. Search. Okay, I'm gonna search again. I'll search one more time. Here we go. Copy. All right, here we go. Google. Search here. All right, there we go. Wait, is this it though? See, this is as much as I know. So here's the newer logo, isn't it? And here's the OG. It's the OG logo. Sure did. All right. Let's see here. If I miss your chat, let me know. Bitrate might be too high. Video, audio cutting in and out. Oh, hey. Do you how do? Hey, do you how do? Good to see ya. My bitrate is at around 5 kbps, which I probably could drop that down a smidge. I could probably drop it down a smidge. Hey, Moogie fan, thank you for the hydrate. No, the 191 I don't have to, but I have Gemini, Android Galaxy S10. You don't think it is feature covers? Oh, yeah, you can use a web converter. So Google for online converter. Online converter. That's what you want. You want the online converter. Then you see the 1989 logo. Oh, got it. What's your webcam? Hey, Zerby. Say. This is a Sony A27. It's a Sony A7 II. That's what that is. That's the webcam. Thank you for asking. Steven, I bet you learned how to multitask code like this by being on call with your team and working with PubNub stuff, right? Yes. Because I had to talk with the team, I had to write code at the same time and talk with folks. Type in the link in the post on the YouTube and type in the link. Which one? Which link are you talking about? Which one? Let's see, back here. Let me double check that I'm not missing something here. Okay. All right. Is that room temperature filtered water? Oh, it's room temperature water, and it's just tap water. It's just regular tap water. Google it, Muga, come on. I know, right? I know. You can Google it. You know how to do that. You know how to do it. Post MP3, Google, not MP3, no, MP4, not MP3. It's a video file to GIF. MP4 is what you're looking for, MP4. Generic GIF converter. Yeah, exactly. GIF converter. Exactly. All right, so I don't think, can we, let's see, is there, Let's look this up in Rust Candle real quick. Where is that at here? Where is this at? Did I move it? All right. Rust Candle tensor mean all values in tensor. We're going to average everything. We need a scalar. This is it right here. Here we go. Tensor mean all. Reduce all elements in the global their mean. Hey, that's what I'm looking for. You found a video of Steven dancing. I want to make a GIF out of it. Oh, you do? See that? There you go. Perfect use case. Hey, Go. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Hey, Leandro. Yo, Leandro B. Thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. We're building a variational autoencoder today. Mean all. We don't need a parameter there. Green. Hey, green to good to go. Global make it image of hello world on Gemini. Maybe that might work. That might work. I'm not sure. Look, can you look at my location and it's Mississippi, Lewisburg? Yes, I figured it out. When you drink ice water, your body doesn't absorb it as effectively. Oh, really? And it can be hard on your stomach as well? So room temperature is good. Hey, yeah, room temperature water. Luke, thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. We're currently working on our variational autoencoder. We're building the Kale divergence, the loss function, and then we should be able to train our model to draw a picture of a cat. Ram, that's what we're doing. What's your app? You check messages like the LinkedIn Insta. Yes, I sure do. Instagram, LinkedIn. You unfollow? Uh-oh. In fact, I have an idea. Give me 10 minutes. Do I have permission to edit? Yes, you do. Yes, at Joe. Let's see, at Joe Codes. Yes, you do. Absolutely. Yes, you do. On my iPod Touch, for installed tweak from Cydia. Yeah, Cydia. I remember doing that. Called Tube Replacer. Then I installed Vitreous. And Vitreous is like, I assume just ads free. I think it's ads free, right? You'll drop it on Discord. Sounds good. What is the value of the loss? Right now, let's find out. Let's try to run it. Cargo run. Here we go. The current value is 0.07. Let's try it again. Okay, there's 1. So it's going to be random, right? It's going to be random. 0.08. So it's about 0.1 right now, which is really low. To be fair, here's the image, right? Here's the image. They don't look the same, but they might not be far off. Also, the loss function isn't finished yet, so we have more loss function to write. You train the model, HR prediction salary project. Hey, there we go. SVM. You could do some linear regression on that, right? You could do some activations with deep learning. There's a lot of things. Hey, what kind of model did you build? Vitreous is an APK pure, but for iOS, you installed YouTube from 2012. Really? It's working on the iPad. Oh, nice. What environment are you using? RAM, this is Darwin. Darwin right here. Darwin means Mac OS. The IDE, the editor, the text you see on the screen, this is Vim plus Tmux plus Ghosty. Ghosty. That's what this is right here. And then I will copy and paste that for you over here in the TubeTube chat. I want to go next level. You can recommend? Yes. Classic Vim. That's right. It is classic. It's not even the Neo variety. It's classic Vim. Classic Vim right there, you guys. Let me show you on your iPad. YouTube working? I want to see it. Mnodi, send it over there. How do I have live captions? Yo, Coolius Boss. Hey, Coolius Boss, thank you for asking. I have this up on my window here so you can see. Hey, Reason, thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. We're currently building a variational autoencoder. We're working on the loss function with some KL divergence. Steven, my dog, I'm back. Hey, you remember me. Hey, the infamous, of course. Even my mentor, Ram, absolutely. What's cool about Vim? It makes me happy. Vim is where my happiness lives. my recommendation is always use the text editor and the tools that make you happy. Hey, from Russia. Hey, welcome on. You like the live stream? Thank you. Appreciate it. Ram. Yep, so this is open source subtitles. If you want them on your stream too, you can grab them today on our GitHub. The infamous I definitely remember. Good to have you guys here. Let's see. Many dev recommend Vim. Absolutely. Absolutely. Let's see if we can build our loss function. So far we got our mean all. Is this what we want though? Did I get everything correct? I don't think so. I'm missing some stuff here. So let's open this up. All right, so what am I missing right now? I need to add in some extra stuff here. I'm missing something. This is missing. All right, 1 second. I know I'm missing something. Let's go to our reference. KL. Let's see, where's our K at? KL, thank you. Here we go, right here. All right, see, I knew it right there. I remember this. All right, so we did this part here. That's done. So we did the sum on this. So we need to do a negative 0.05. And we need, that's it. This is what we need here. And then we do that on the mean. All right, there. Live stream, C++ live game dev. Hey, looking good. I am with you on that. You did a clip. You have a clip. Can you please see your phone? Can you see on your phone? I'll have to check. 1 second. Hello again, Adnan. Stephen, why is the loss so small and the image is very dissimilar? Well, because I think it's average, right? It's an RNG. So the output or the noise input is like around 0.5. So the loss is not that high. So that's my guess. Also, we're not finished writing the loss function yet. So the loss function isn't finished, right? So we need it. We're not done yet. We're not done. We have more to go. This is just the start of the loss function, right? We're not done. We have more things to do. We need to multiply and do some extra stuff here, I think, right? So we're not done. Hello. Okay, sounds good. All right. Currently building a pneumonia detector. Oh, nice. Excellent. Custom currently moving to production ready pipeline. You got 95.8% accuracy, 97% recall. Nice. Now looking forward to deploy Docker. Hey, study channel. Nice. That's good to hear. Those are great numbers. Those are fantastic numbers. Steven, I meant to tell you, I was in Tampa, Florida. Oh, wait, no way. Ray's Games said something about the company while I was in Florida. Whoa. Unexpected. Go on Twitch and see the clip I made. Let's see here. Okay, let's check real quick. Let's see. Twitch. 1 second. All right, 1 second. Steven LB on Twitch. All right, here we go. All right, now how do I do that? 1 second. Go to clips. Okay. All right. It's not showing up. I only see last month. All right, Mugafan. I only see this from last month. I don't see yours. It's not showing up. It's not showing up. Yo, what do you do? Hey, how's it going there, Tris? Trick Shot. Yo, Trick Shot car. Good to see you. Welcome on and happy Sunday. We are building a variational autoencoder today. This is going to allow us to know how to draw a picture of a cat. Picture of a cat, which is right here. So it's random projection, not serious. It's a random project. At least, wait, can you show your project study channel like on GitHub? Yes. Let's show you real quick here. GitHub, Steven, right there. Here we go. Here's my profile on GitHub. Hey, I have a cat. You do? The infamous? All right, good to hear. What's your cat's name? Bro, that's nice. I love it. Hey, good. Thank you. Trick Shot car. Thank you. My GitHub profile. This, I will sub to support. Hey, sounds good. Thank you. Hey, Original Banana Yellow. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. Complete end-to-end project with deployment study channel. That is fantastic. Docker container, and then you'll deploy it on maybe some hardware sensors and things like that. KO. Okay. Let's see. I checked. Mugafan, I checked. Her name is Maxine Astra Sushi. That's an appropriate cat name. You got a good cat name there. Gray striped cat. Nice. Good kitty. Maxine. The infamous Maxine gray striped cat. Maxine, you have a cat. That's great. I'm trying to memorize this, what I'm trying to do. Go to the Twitch chat of your life and you'll eventually find it. Just go up. I'm scrolling. I don't see anything. I'm looking. I don't see it. Deploy on AWS. I think it's a good chance. I think Nix is greater than Docker. Steven mod me. Oh, from Neymar. Hey, Short Dog. Okay. Short Dog, before we do that, like I do remember we talked about this on some comments on some videos, right? We talked about it on some comments, some videos. We can do it. You need to get another blessing from a mod. So you've got Bonzupi here. And hey, Paulie RL, thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineer. Good to have you here. Welcome on it. You're gonna blow. I'm gonna prank your bail. What does that mean? What that mean? I don't know what that is. Both are best. Both are good. I think they're pretty good. Which is better? I'm familiar with Docker. I don't know about Nix. Bonzupi. Oh, yep. So you need to get help. Someone needs to recommend you to be... Bro, yes. Do you find the post? I posted on your community tab. Let's check it. Reload. Newest. Here we go. Definitely not in focus. Not on focus. YouTube 2012 on the iPod. Well, let's find out. Right there. Yo, look at that. Hey, glowing YouTube logo. The OG logo. That's a logo from a long time ago. YouTube homepage. Nice. Yo, it's me. Whoops, sideways. Anyway, subscribe to Steven. Hey. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yo, that's awesome. Appreciate it. M. Noti, thank you. Thank you very much. Happy Sunday, Prasham. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. I know Steven was cool when he didn't get mad because I didn't know what he was doing. Building a web scraper one day. Yo, the infamous. Yo, the web scraper. He's legit taught me. Hey, that's great to hear. Blythe on your bike. What does that mean? I mean bail, not bail. I still don't know what that means. What is that? I don't know what that is. Hey, Max. Good to see you. Welcome on in, Max. Hey, K1. Oh, K1KO. Hey, good to see ya. Or is it Kiko? Kiko Shorts. Kiko Shorts, right? Kiko Shorts. We're building a VAE, you guys. There's more. Oh, I didn't get them all. All right, let's keep going. Next one. Here we go. Whoa, that's me. I remember doing this video. That's me in San Francisco. That was me when I was in my place from San Francisco. How many toy balls do you have and why do you say Bethel? 0. 0 is the answer. Let's check it out. We got what? Yes. Hey, all right. Thank you. Hey, Mnoti, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see here. All right, variational autoencoder. Let's finish our loss function, you guys. We're almost done with this. I believe we're very, very close. So we have to do this last part right here. This negative 0.5 times the sum, which we can do this. We'll just grab that here, paste it here, and return like that. There we go. A smidgen of a parenthesis. No problem, Noti. That was neat. Steven, when do you always start stream? Around 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Around 8 a.m. PDT. How many balls do you have? What does that mean? What's the live stream on the iPod? That was Mnoti showing us YouTube in 2012. That was really neat. Yo, Frosty! Do project managers in your organization have coding experience? Yes, they do. They do. They sure do. How's it going there, Mulana? Yo, Mulana, thank you for saying hi. Good to have you here. What are we doing? We're building a variational autoencoder, a VAE. This is going to be a generative image model, and we're going to train it to draw a picture of a cat. Rust looks rough. It is. It takes some extra effort. It does. It takes a little bit of extra effort. Is this good? Green? Green? Yeah, everything's green. All right, sounds good, Original Banana. It was good to have you here. Thank you. I will tell you some fun facts. All right, sounds good. Original Banana, good to have you here. Enjoy the nighttime. Enjoy the nighttime. On the music thingy, not on the iPhone. The iPod generates music. It's weird with headphones. I'm not familiar. I only ever had an iPhone. How long have you been coding? I've been coding professionally for 25 years. Professionally for 25 years. I've been coding longer than that, though. I've professionally means I've been making money, you know, building code and stuff like that. That's no iPod, it's an iPhone. Oh, see, yeah, okay, so that it could be though. You don't know. You don't know. It could be an iPod. Let's double check though. Yeah, no, this is an iPod. That is actually an iPod. This is an iPod. I know because I remember I was alive back then and I was very conscious. Let's see, which language is largest? Alan? Yo, Alan Noob, what do you mean by that? What is your question? Which language is largest? What does that mean? Have you ever coded in BASIC? Yeah. Hey, Pythonista. Yes, I have many years ago. Do my phone is literally a hot pan? It does. It can get warm. It can get warm. All right, let's take a look at this. Is that green? It is. Let's close that out. Let's do a cargo run really quick. Which language is harder to learn? The most difficult language that I've ever had to learn was Rust. It was. Why did the caption say it does it? Why did the caption say it does it? What does that mean? It might have been a typo. It might have been a typo. You wrote a working brain F interpreter in Cinnabar? Bonzupi, are you serious? That was very impressive. My coding experience, commercial, and 5 years total. Hey, all right, Max, you're on the right track. Okay, keep going. Keep going. It's a long game. Why did the caption say no, it doesn't eat? Because my captions aren't always perfect. Captions aren't always perfect. C++ is the largest. Okay, the most widely used language across the world, probably C++. Yes. Why do they say the career in tech is dead if you're 50? I don't know. Here's the reason why, I think. Okay, so at a highly senior level, you are a very talented engineer. And you have high expectations for your salary to be really high. And businesses will lose value on that individual. Here's the reason why. If you guys didn't know about this, once you get to a certain age and you have a certain number of years under your belt, you start to lose value on businesses because your salary is so high and the level of productivity that you have does not make up for the salary that you have. So if you're like a mid-year or even entry level, the output that you produce for a business is going to be quite high compared to your salary. And businesses love that, right? We want, a moderate salary and high output. If you get to a senior level to where your salary is so high, and yes, you are very productive, but it does not match, your productivity level does not match your output for the salary. So it's not a justified salary. That's why if you get too old, you have a high expectation for a high salary, you're not worthwhile to businesses anymore. Just for that reason. So one way to circumvent that is just to lower your salary. That's it. That's the main reason. And the reason why they have mandatory retirement at certain ages. This is a thing. It's a real thing. Let's see. Fun fact. Burn was a prototype version of Instagram back in 2009 and 10. And it turned into Instagram. Oh, really? Bourbon. I'm not familiar with that. I only know of Instagram because I walked past their office almost every day. Largest mean you have to write many lines of code to do something simple. You do often. You do. This is a very big. So did this work? Okay. So are we done here? Did we finish this? Is this good? Okay. I don't know if that's everything. Let me double check. Reconstruct, Kale, and let me see here. Did I get it all? I need to double check. Let's see here, you guys. Tell us more about Blocks AI. Oh, idea prompt, sure. Okay, so Blocks AI. If you have an idea to start a new business, you're going to want to use Blocks AI. Everything in the world going forward is no longer SaaS. It's not software as a service. It's agents as a service. Agent as a service. You want to build agents to solve business problems. It's no longer about software where you build a user interface and you click buttons. That is gone. That's done. We're done with that. No more user interfaces. No more buttons that I have to click. Frosty, am I married? No, I am not married. I'm not. You want to build a business that is agentic. It will do work for humans and automate workflows automatically using an agent that does some sort of task, makes human decisions or emulates human decisions, and does work. Instead of a human having to do data entry, nobody wants to do that anymore. So you want to use blocks to build this for you. Blocks is a way that allows you to easily enable agent communication. So if you're building an MCP, or if you just have a simple web interface that allows you to communicate with your agent, you're good to go, because you still need a secure code execution environment. Check Discord memes page. Okay, let's take a quick look. Memes and more. Are you a millionaire? Al-Anon. Yo, look at that right there. Hey, I remember that. Hey, you made it. You made it animate. You looped it. You looped it. Hey, that's me from many years ago, you guys. That's like 10 years ago. Great, doesn't have to be serious. Connecting 1 billion devices worldwide. Yo, that's awesome. Zoom in a smidge there. Thank you. That was great. Yo, thank you very much. That was neat. That was neat. You said you were going to do that. You said you were going to do it. Joe, you did it. Oh, wait, it's the music. Uh-oh. Copyright music. Oh, too late. Uh-oh. We'll get a strike, won't we? We'll get a strike. Mute. Oh, too late. I couldn't hear it because I don't have the audio up too loud. I heard it a little bit, but I couldn't tell. Hi, man. Hey, what's up, dude? You're the best. Hope everything is going well. We're going good. Thank you. We're going good. I know we got the copyright strike probably. There is more to the loss function. Yes, we got to do more. We got to keep going. You forgot to read my previous message, Mnodi. Let's see. Fun fact 2. Before Snapchat it was Peekaboo. Really? It was? The little ghost sticking out a tongue and holding a picture. It was Peekaboo before? Thank you for the hydrate, Muga fan. All right. Let's see. It all changed for real people out of the loop and don't understand. It's so much changed. Practice coding lines. Oh, Max, you're preparing to join the armed forces of Ukraine. Oh, yo, Max, that sounds serious. I hope the best for you. I hope the best for you. Can we also contribute to Blocks AI? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. There's a Discord for it. So click on here. There's a Discord for Blocks AI right here. Or right here, if you want to join, I'll put a link share in our link share. Here we go. Edit invite link for never expire. Generate copy over here under link share. Here we go. Link share right there. And then go back to memes and click the fire and the heart button. Thank you, Edge. Thank you. That was awesome. I could resist making you dance. You couldn't, Joe? You did it. You did it. You made it. You made me dance. You made me dance. So yeah, you guys, this is Blocks. This is Blocks. Millionaire, are you? Yes or no? Oh, Alan Noob. So Alan Noob. I abstain from answering the question. That's what I can do. Hi, Blum. FF Delight. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Alan Noob. Who moderator delete? Wait, delete Lucas fan message. Moderator. Yep, we got a moderator. The moderator's here. You know it. Fun fact 3.5. Before Musical. Musically was a failed version of AME. I remember Musically. I do not know what happened to them though. I do not know what happened. What are you currently working on? Oh, Mantis. Hey Mantis, if you're still here, I'm working on a variational autoencoder. We currently wrote the loss function. I think that we're mostly done with it. Are you a millionaire? Good questions, you guys. Hi again. Hey, Madma. Wait, Madma, welcome on in. Good to see ya. Welcome on in, Madma. Good, welcome on in. What is PubNub? PubNub is a globally distributed message bus. we provide communication for all the major apps. So if you've ever used a multiplayer game, if you've ever chatted with someone, if you ever order food, or if you ever watch like an icon move around on a map on your phone, if you ever seen that before, that is my technology. TY, thank you. Musically had failed version of AME. Oh, got it. So it did fail. And it just permanently failed. So yeah. Let's see here. Alan Noob and Muga fan. I saw what you said. I don't talk about that. It's just something that is you just don't talk about, right? You just don't talk about it. That's one of the things that's like sort of like a doxing thing a little bit, but at the same time, it's sort of like something you don't usually talk about. Also, you had a fun fact 3 before the reading 3.5. I missed the version 3. Let me find it. Did I find it? I don't see fun fact 3. I only see 3.5. Why do you always get deleted? Message you moderator, banned the moderator. This channel is for coding, not for talking about someone's personal financial status. Hey, yeah. Bro, can you show PubNub practically? I didn't get it. Yes. So let's see here. Let's see if we can get some examples going here. Solutions. So like multiplayer games. If you ever played a game, so that works. I think I have an example here. So see how the live auctions are being updated in real time? See all the scores are being updated? That's a communication that requires transmission of data to my computer, right? You can also have a game where you have a leaderboard. You can live stream with all the reactions, right? See all these chat messages right here? That is my technology, you guys. Updating VPN servers, all right. Yo, not K, sorry for coming late. Good to have you here. Welcome on in. Why not use scikit-learn instead of building loss function from scratch? Because we're trying to learn undercover. I want to learn as much as possible. I'm going to be building these technologies, and I want to become an expert. You're going to become an expert with me, you guys. So here's a practical PubNub, for example. Here's also another PubNub. So if you see any items moving around on a map, all that needs to be lat long updates. So you can see the updates here. And then you can also see when AI agent chats and things like that. So moderator, leave your message. Yeah. Yo, Mohammed, thank you for following over there on Twitch. Good to have you here. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're currently talking about variational autoencoders and PubNub. So we will be building an app with PubNub in a couple of days. You'll be able to draw on my face. This was a streamer's idea. A chat. You guys had this idea. So we're going to build a new app from scratch that allows you to draw on my face. That's what we're going to do. We're going to build it. Tubercio, so big brother, have you always wanted to be a coder at a young age? I wanted to be a software engineer as a game developer. I wanted to build games. And I did. I started building games. I started writing code to write games. And it was fun. I enjoyed it. However, I found business just fell into my lap. Like, oh, can you build websites? Can you build a website for my business? Then I created a software platform that allows you to build websites for your business and maintain them without needing a webmaster, right? A webmaster. We didn't need that. We don't need it anymore. Can you make a VPN in the future stream? Yes, VPN. We can make a VPN. Have you seen God of War? Yes. The game? I was told that you don't need to learn everything. You can just build top existing software. Yes, undercover. Yes, exactly. Yo, Mantis, thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Welcome on in. MSN Games? So you got you? Yo, really? No way. I might have played those. Back when there was MSN Messenger, right? I remember. And with the butterfly. Do you remember the butterfly? I remember that. So undercover, you're absolutely right. Did why you say the captions says puppies? Yes. That is a word that automatically gets translated. It is. So if I say God of War, it says puppies of war. Wow, you're a hard-working person. Thank you, Tubercio. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. And a lot of effort and a lot of practice. So let's see if we finished our loss function, you guys. This is like the main task for today. Does this look correct? Did we get everything? We mean all the sum, and then we need to do one more thing. We needed to get the original loss and we need to combine it with the KLD loss, right? That's what we got to do. So we have to do a couple things, and then we have to multiply it by a some sort of low value, some low value of some sort. You forgot to read my previous message, Mnodi. I missed it. Let me find it. Mnodi, where'd you at? What was your first programming language? C++. Dweep. It was C++. Dweep. Today I'm gonna react to one of Steven's videos on your iPod Touch 4A. Let's begin. Hey, Mnodi, fantastic. I enjoy the passion you got for teaching. Hope you stay blessed. Thank you, Madma. Thank you, Madma. Mad Mac? Is it Mad Mac? That's what it is. It's Mad Mac. All right, got your name. Yo, Mad Mac. Thank you. If I miss your message, you guys just let me know. Java or spreadsheet? I mean, spreadsheet. Everything over Java. Where do you refer the equations from the loss function? Don't tell me you have them memorized. I do not. We have a reference over here. Vi reference. Here we go. /loss. Here's the reference. It is in Python, and we are converting this. See, we have to do this part right here. This part was missing. We got to do this part right here. We got to combine the KLD weight, which is the beta, and then we have to combine an epsilon. It's an epsilon adjacent. It's beta, and then we have to take the reconstruction loss with the KL divergence loss, and we got to multiply those. So this is the last thing that we have to do right here. So let me pipe that in over here. Copy. Close this real quick. We're gonna paste this in. We got to convert this into our final output. Nice, Mantis. There we go. Java or genocide? Java, of course. Java at that point. Fine. Bend my arm. Why don't you? Bend my arm. Steven, I missed your message. Do you want to work with them? If so, I got you, bro. MSN Games. Yo, really? I would be happy. Actually, it'd be fun to be introduced. I always like to chat with new people. So, not K. Yes, connect with me on Discord and send a direct message, and we could chat more. Expected a different answer. Did you? Definitely not genocide. Definitely not genocide, you guys. PF of War, favorite character. Is it? I've heard the game. I've never played it before. I know. I've never played it before. I've never played it. Let's see. Joe Gold. Yo, Joe's. Okay, oh, you're talking to Sergio. Where do you refer to the equations? All right. If I miss your guys' message, just let me know. See, when you start building your own AI, you'll have to research center for your team. Yes, I think so. All right, I tried to check all your chats. I don't know if I got one. Are you a game developer? Hey, Sumi. I have been a game developer before. Right now, we're an AI developer. We're an AI developer right now. Java or Python? Python, Blueface, Python. Python all day, Python. Python. Python for sure. Okay, so we got to do this right here. Do we have our KLD weight? I think we do. KLD weight is here. It's a tensor. Okay, so let's do our let out equals. We're gonna return the out here. See, out. That's why. Okay. So our out is going to equal the reconstruction loss, which is this. Here we go, reconstruction loss. And then our KLD weight, our KLD loss goes here, plus KLD loss right here. I think, right? Double check. Okay, good. And the KLD weight multiplied. Here we go, like that. Question mark. And then another question mark. There we go. I missed your message. Steven, I can ask on my coworkers. I got banned on Discord. Sorry. Oh, you did? Okay, can you connect on LinkedIn maybe? Is that VS Code? Hey, IDK, this is Vim. IDK, this is Vim at IDK. Are you still there? Okay, this is Vim plus Tmux. Maybe? Okay, sounds good. So, just search for Steven Blum on LinkedIn and send me a connection request and let me know. Let me know. What are we making? Yo, Ken Mackey. All right, thank you for connecting or subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're building a variational autoencoder, which is a stable diffusion precursor that allows us, and we're going to train an AI to draw a picture of a cat. This is our current cat, as you can see right here. Not a very good cat, but we're going to make it work. Can't get what's going on in the code. Hey, hats off yet. We're building a picture of a cat is what we're doing. That's all it is. You missed my previous message. I can... Mugafan on the previous V. You are using Llama LLM to censor the whisper flow setup. No, this is all my own code. This is all my own code. So this is, you can find it here on GitHub. It's 100% my code. I've written it. It's for 8 years ago. There you go. A little bit of 8 years ago now. You can see 8 years right there. Right there. Eight years ago. Right there. And it's got like, it's pretty good. It's got like 300 stars. Dweep, yeah. Mugafan, I missed your message. The reason we hate Java is because it's capable of everything and has potential of doing the work, but JavaScript JS just not user friendly and convenient. Right, exactly. It's verbose, and using it at scale in a production environment is abhorrently expensive. It is irresponsible to use Java in production because it's just how expensive it is. I currently am doing that at my job today, and I know it's a mistake, although they are the best options available still. Kafka, Cassandra, and Elastic. Those three things are JVM-based platforms that are distributed compute systems for search, data storage, and message passing for events. They are very expensive. Can you see the captions link on Discord? Which one? Bro, I can't find your GitHub profile. Oh, it's Stephen LB. Stephen LB on GitHub equals Stephen LB. FG. Wait, Stephen, I have surprise. Oh, what do you got? What's your surprise? Have you programming recommendation system? Yes, I did. We've even got kind of did that a little bit live on stream before. So yes, we can do a recommendation system. We can do embedding, and we can do similarity. We can find them, and then we can recommend it just like they do on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. We can build it. What's your storage, by the way? I don't know. Actually, it's like a terabyte, I think. DF-H. Yeah, terabyte. Yeah, as you can see, it's terabyte right there. Terabyte right there. Right there is a terabyte. A little bit of terabyte for you. Smidgen of terabyte. You work on Visual Studio Code with Python? Yo, IDK, that's awesome. Good to hear it. Mnodi, I missed your message. Thank you guys for learning. I missed one of your messages. Mnodi. Yo, Mario Srini. Hey, I just saw your message there. Hope you're still here. Let's see. The reason let's see. Okay. Bro, the gift button. I see something that cost a very big number. That's a very big number. Mnodi. I'm trying to see it. That video was posted 2 years ago when you were in San Francisco. Which one? Wait, which video? Which video? Mnodi, which video? I built simple recommendation system for your bachelor's thesis project. Yo, Mantis, excellent. Good to hear it. You should buy more storage. I don't need it. I'm good. I've got plenty of storage. Cargo run. Yo, Chris, thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Welcome on in. We're going to be building a variational autoencoder. Let's see how close we get here. Let's see how close. Did we get it to work? We sure did. Okay. We need to return our output. We got to return our output. Let's see. Can you make a good ray tracing? I probably could try. I don't know how to do it. I think we could probably do it. Yo, Joe, thank you. Agony, I'm setting up LED lights. Yo, nice. Please, the loss function must be large. Yes, it does. So good. I've got it. Don't worry. Here's why. It's still the MSE, right? Bimpa, it's still the MSE. So we're not done yet. We got to do this output here. We are not done yet. We're not done. Did I do this? Is this it? I think that's it. Here, let's delete this. Let's do out, save. Okay, let's try it now. Let's see if that does the trick. Okay. Cargo run. Mismatch. Uh-oh. Okay, where's our mismatch at? So what if we return this? Let's try that real quick. Try that. Here we go. Yo, hey, look at that. Hey, look at that. It's bigger. Hey, Bimpa, it got bigger. You're pretty good at programming. Yo, Phil, thank you very much. Appreciate it. IDK, you're learning. Nice. Good to hear. OLED, organic LED monitor or a normal monitor? OLED for sure. OLED is the best, but it's more expensive. I work a part with YouTube. Oh, you do? Really? No way. Can you say love from Tel Aviv? Yo, love from Tel Aviv. Hey, over there in Israel. Hey, I've been there before. I was there. I was there in 2014. I was there. You can even look it up. I have video proof that I was there. I was in Tel Aviv. I missed your previous message. And Noti again. Let's see. What'd you say? I'm going to scroll to it. I'm going to scroll. Oh, the video with the Llama 2 called AI Chatbot Without Restrictions using Ollama. Oh, yes, that's right. I saw that. I remember. Right here. Right there. Yeah, I remember. Can you turn on text to speech? It is on. So if you donate, if you send a super chat, it will talk. It'll talk. Text to speech is turned on. It is. Hi from Bangalore, India. Hey, how's it going there? Kushik, welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Hope you're doing good over there. Let's see. You are good at software dev. If anyone want a GRT in your path, what things they should have to learn? All right, Emmett. I would recommend, if you're going to learn programming languages, Python, JavaScript, and those are the two that I would recommend starting with, right? Because web dev is huge. Node.js and the MERN stack, the mean stack, all those things, they are massive. They're a large part of the internet. And then Python, because of AI, it's huge. It's also good for data science. 10:50 p.m. All right, sounds good. DXXD111, thank you for hanging out with us. Appreciate it. Bro, people are not going to let you code at this rate. I know, Mantis. I know. Let's see if we can figure this out. So we hit a problem here. So we got a problem. So let's see if I can figure this out. This is where the problem is at. Let's see if I can figure this out here. Yeah. All right, got a high loss. High as a loss right there. How did you get into Google? What do you mean? Are you talking to me? Hi from DIH Mun. What is that? Diamond? Like an island in Finland. Oh, nice. Okay. Steven, do you also want to work Minecraft? I'm curious about it. Minecraft. I like Minecraft. Yes, I like Minecraft. What type of code is this? This is Rust. This is the Rust programming language. It is using the Candle core library. How many lines of code have I written? In my entire life? Definitely millions. Easy. I've written millions of lines of code. Easy. What game should I play on your iPod? Can you do Pocket Minecraft? Is that something you can play? Which language to learn and master? I recommend Python. Python is, Python spelled correctly. There you go. Have you ever played Dima? I've not. I'm pretty sure I haven't because I don't recognize that name. I don't recognize it, you guys. All right, let's see if we can fix this. This line of code is broken right here. Let's see if we can fix this. Yeah. Save. You're talking for this project. Oh, this project here is only 226 lines of code. It's very tiny. Minecraft Pocket isn't on the list you made of games. I downloaded it and oh, really? Okay, so then I'm not sure. What about Fruit Ninja? You probably could do that one. Steven, make it to not to mess anything up with Rust, because one time I did it Rust. You rest the whole thing, bro? Wait, not K. I actually don't know what that means. I try to figure out. Make to the not mess anything up. With Rust, I mean, that's kind of the idea. Learning advice, Python is so hard. Python is easy. Yo, Python. Well, I mean, learning any coding is difficult, for sure. It is a challenge. Dart, it's useful now? Is it? Really? Dart is? Python's not hard. Exactly. Python's easy. Easy. That's why I recommend it. It's easy and it's industry used. It's in the industry. It's used everywhere. Fruit Ninja is also not on the list. All right. Mnodi. Oh, Dr. Doom edits. Hey, making logic is hard. Yes, it is. It's very difficult. Can you listen to my song? I can if you send the link in Discord and it's Creative Commons. Discord link and Creative Commons, and then we can do that. It's got to be Creative Commons. IDK, very nice. Python is very impossible for me. No. It's easy. It's easy. You just take one step at a time. One step at a time, right? You do this, right? Python, Python, and you type in hello world, and you put quotes around that, right? And then you put a little bit of printing here. Print, and then you go to the end. Done. Hello world. Right there. What you do? Hey, Mad Gamer Master, we are currently building a variational autoencoder, and we have one line of code to fix. We've got one final line of code to fix to finish our loss function. We need to fix this line right here. Right here, we got to fix it. Let's see. Python is also used in Minecraft. It is? It is? I thought that was Java and Lua, or C in Java. I didn't know that Python was there. Is that for Bedrock maybe? Python's for Bedrock? Do you image process by Rust? Yes, we do. We are actually doing image processing. We are legit doing image processing right here. Right there. Do you recommend learning C++ after Python? Oh, Peekaboo. Yes, Peeky, yes. I do. I think C++ is great, especially if you want to be a systems engineer. Crazy Mario Puppets, you like Minecraft too? Nice. Is that project published on GitHub? It sure is. Actually, I need to record this here real quick. Git status, git add source, git commit, loss almost done, push to the main branch, and the code is right here. Here's the code. So you can see it right here. Here's all of our code. Wow, we got busy. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. Appreciate it. Concept, yeah. It got a good concept. Love from the Finland. Hey, all right. Martin, well, love over here from Seattle, Washington, United States. Basic is easy. Yeah, basic is good. Start learning ML and AI. It's going to get hard. It will. Yes, I agree with that. Python is #1 worldwide for AI and data science. I think it's a really good one. Minecraft Education supports Python. Oh, now it makes sense. Hey, happy Sunday. Hey, the Corey, good to see you. How was your day? So far, so good. I'm asking because my B-Day is 2 weeks away. All right, well, happy birthday early. Can I sub to you? Dr. Doom and Steven, don't worry. I subbed you already. Hey, Marvel, thank you. Python is #1 worldwide. I think it's pretty good. Announcement, I dare the chat to send gifts. Hey, you guys, you don't have to, definitely not something that is required. Just being here is all that matters. How much can we predict a weather? I think if we had full data, you could predict 100% of the weather. If you had enough data, you could do it. Games from the list. All right. Clumsy Ninja, Talking Tomcat, Angela, my Talking Tom, Galaxy Clicker, Cookie Clicker. You have Cookie Clicker? Pizza Clicker. Pizza Clicker. I think Pizza Clicker. I mean, how about that? Yo, Vaxillion. Thank you very much, Vaxillion Twig, for the 6-7. My gratitude to you. You didn't have to do that. Yo, hey, you know what? Not K, you did the announcement and someone followed through on it. Really? Thank you. Yo, Vaxillion Twig, thank you very much. My gratitude to you. Speedwise, C++ is also good. Yes, I'm with you on that. Python is fun for the whole family. There you go. W, you got it. Not K, you got it. Python is used a lot of C and C++ libs under the AI development. Yes, like libtorch. You got it, like libtorch, exactly. All right, we've got one last function to do here. We got to take care of this. We got to take care of this, you guys. Right here. All right, let's see if we can get this to work. Wait, do we need to do this? Let's see here real quick. Let me think about this. Where is our tensor here? Can we do that? Oh, wait. KLD, wait. Let me see here. I made it a tensor. I made this, 0.03 is fine, I think. I love what you do. Thanks for stream. Hey, Vaxillion Twig, thank you. Thank you again for the 6-7. That was really very generous. Yo, Quick Fix, good to see ya. Welcome on in. What did you miss? We're just finishing the loss function in our VAE. Variational autoencoder. You love SQL? Me too. I use SQL almost every day. I do. Python is used at NASA. Yay, there we go. Jet Propulsion Labs, you guys. JPL. SQL is good to store big data. SQL is good for reading data. It is. It's good for reading data. C# speed, but Python's good because of its libraries. Python's really good libraries, doesn't it? I'm with you there. Like not working to done. It's almost there. We're almost there. What's the best way to learn to debug code without the help of AI? Use print. Use print statements. Print statements, you guys. Right there. Debugging is the way to do it. Right there. Print everywhere. Print everything. That's the answer. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. All right. We need to get the final output here. Let's see here. How do we do that? So we get a tensor. We've got the mean. We're doing the KLD loss. We're getting the output. The part that's broken, though. Let's see. KLD loss used of moved value. Oh, right here? Oh, wait, really? That seems that but we've been doing that the whole time. That should be perfectly fine. All right, let's see here. All right, let me see if we can figure this out. All right, we gotta figure this out. Debug with print of base of debugging. That is the way to do it. Oh, and by the way, hello from Romania. Hey, Romania, good to have you here. Just place breakpoints and debug runtime. You could do that too. You could do that. Breakpoints works too. Yo, how's it going there? Phantom. Hey, Phantom-y. Good to see you, Phantom-y. I'm commerce student. I want to learn coding for my business website. Hey, all right. So then you probably want to learn JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. That's what you want to learn. Speaking NASA, I work with NASA. You do too. Not K. You work everywhere. You work for everything. You're doing good. Java for ML. I would say Java for not for ML. Java not for ML. Is this Java? This is Rust. This is the Rust programming language right here. You want to learn and earn money from it? Nice, Kim. Well, you joined the right channel for that. That's what we're doing right now. We're learning together. Let's learn together, you guys. All right, so we got a bug right here. This bug is bugged out right here. Why is that a problem? That shouldn't be. Oh! Here we go. All right. That's why, right there. Okay. All right. Now, cargo run, and it's going to be an error. The mismatch. 1 and empty. Wait, which one's empty? Which one's empty? Okay, so let's do print. See, this is where you do the debugging, guys. Print ln exclamation point. And then we're going to get the shape. Dot shape of KL loss. Dot shape. And then we need to do the same thing for all the other ones. Who can we sell it to? I want to ask you, please. What's that? Do you play Minecraft? Yes, I do, Sam. I sure do. Do you know Eminem? I know of Eminem. I know of Eminem, the rapper, the music artist. Let's see, let's do this. Here we go. KLD loss. Here we go. Shape. Okay. And then let's hide that. And then we're gonna do our loss here, just to make it work. There we go. We're gonna call this the KL weight. This is the last thing that we have to do. This is like the one thing that we really need to do. Steven, tomorrow should we our event where we give mod? It's your choice, not forcing. Should we a event? What does that mean? What is the good backend for web? JobFast, Node.js. So at sit, that is Node.js backend. And you can also do something like Next.js. That also works. Yo, Snake Gamer. Yo, what? Yo, it's Steven Blum. Hey, Aria. Hey, Aria. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. Yo, what's the bottom panel doing? Alpha, this is telling us what's broken in our code right now. So we got some bugs. We got to fix them. Node.js Express, you mean? Yes. There you go. The MERN stack. Yep, MERN stack. MERN. MERN stack. Which is Mongo, Express, React, and Node. Should we do an event about giving mod? Oh, we've got enough mods. We've got enough mods. Yo, you remember me? Arya, yes, I do. Because I was trying to remember, we tried to figure out how to pronounce your name, and it was like Arya Stark from, remember Arya Stark? Game of Thrones. It took us a while to figure that out, but we remembered it. We remember Arya Stark. Yep. Aria. Let's see. If I miss your chat message, you guys know. Here's some YouTube emojis. Hey, Agony, there we go. You learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. React, nice. What to learn next? Node.js, probably, and Express. Yeah, that could work too. Yo, Sataline. Or is it Citaline? Citaline, thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. We're currently figuring out how to fix our loss function in our variational autoencoder. Do you have the code publicly posted? Yes, I do. It is publicly available. Here, I'll show you. In our Discord, we'll go to link share. There you go. Right there. Live in Tunisia. So I want a remote job from other country. Here, it's too late here. Oh, Citaline. All right. Well, Tunisia sounds like a great place. Mnodi, thank you for saying hi. I'm back from posted your post on the community tab. Very nice. So you posted another one? Let's see here. All right. Let me grab this over here. Let's go to newest real quick. Yo, the pizza. Hey, all right. Very nice. All right. Oh, Muga fan, I just saw it. Got downtime Twitch. Now Twitch on YouTube is way more worse. All right. All right. Pizza for everyone. And for Steven, come join the Tasty Pizza with us. Pizza from Clickers. Pizza Clickers. It's really good, Steven. Yum, yum. Mod me. It's good. It's so good. Thanks. Yeah. I recognize that you post live streams every day, right? Yes, we do. Every live, every day. And I learned front end from YouTube. Very nice. Yo! Hey! Thank you, Mr. Like. Hey, Mr. Like. Oh, you're so wonderful. G-O-D Like. Thank you. My gratitudes to you. My goodness, you just handed out a bunch of gifted memberships. So we got Smoothie. Smoothie the cat. Yo, Smoothie! Steve. Hey, Steve. Hey, all right. Doba, JM, and Pioneer. Yo, you guys. All right. Good to hear it. Hey, thank you very much. G-O-D Like. Thank you. My gratitudes to you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Yo, you're awesome. Yo, Zool. Wow, I know, right? Yo, we're a streamer. This means we're a streamer, you guys. Apparently, I didn't get membership, but at least I served pizza to some people. Thank you, Mnodi. Appreciate it. If learning C... Hey, Pika, if learning C++ starts feeling hard for me, what will you do? And do you find programming hard? Yes, it is hard. It stays hard. It's a challenge. Can you practice? Always practice. You like pizza? Nice. Whoever sends gifts, they will get a shout out. Not K. You sure will. Steven, can you do a giveaway too? I can't. In some reasons, I can't. We could do like a contest of some sort. You can call me Sunny. All right, Sunny. Thank you, G-O-D Like. Sunny, thank you. Thank you very much. My gratitudes to you. Wow, you guys, that's awesome. Hey, Zool, thank you for saying hi. Let's see, 1 second. People tell me that data structures and algo are very important for software dev. Pika, it is only important if you're going to be a systems level engineer. If you're going to be just a software app developer, you can just use regular code. You don't need to worry about the DSAs. You don't need to worry about them. You sure don't. We'll eat a slice of pizza for you, Steven. Thank you. No meat. All right, good to hear it. What is data structures and algorithms? What's that? That is the design patterns in software engineering that allow you to create certain algorithms for performance perspective, usually for performance, right? So you could do like hash map, you could do lists, you could do what is it called? Hyper log, which is a cardinality measurement system. You could also do another one that's similar to that is a Bloom filter. So these are some common fun patterns right there. Got the pizza. How do you short? What does that mean? Yo, the creator. Good to see ya. I like your content, bro. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Do I need a degree for web developer job? Nope, you don't. It's called webmaster. You do not need a degree for that. Hey, Not K. Thank you very much for the pizzas. What do you think of object-oriented programming? I think it's fine. Neg log likelihood loss. Yes, there's another one, right? The negative log hood loss. There we go. I can spell. Negative log likelihood loss. There you go. There's another one right there. Or right there. Also, you've got gradient calculator. Calculations. There's just so many fun things. Neg log likelihood of loss. You got it. But I served the pizza, not him. Oh, well, Imnoti. Hey, they are very happy about that. They are. Yo, hey, Autek. Yo, Autek. Thank you for the 6-7. My gratitudes to you, Autek. Thank you very much. That was unexpected and wonderful. Can someone recommend me for a mod? Hey, Short Dog. All right, mods. We have people who are asking. Short Dog is asking for mod. Do we have any mods left in the chat? Tell me about CTE in SQL. Yes, they are table expressions. CTE. Common table expressions. CTE. They look like this, right? You say with... It's the with statement, right? With ABD at my table as, and then you put a sub-select in here, select one or whatever, right? And then you can say select from my table. There you go, CTE right there. Right there, common table expressions. If you're trying to interview me, at least I got that one right, yeah? He has only be here 2 streams. Oh, so, okay, so, Short Dog, people are saying that you have to be here longer. Good, I'm impressed. You got a subscriber. Yo, hey, all right, Chaitanya. Hey, Chaitanya, thank you. Appreciate it. Chaitanya, you guys. We got it, we got it. We got it. We got the answer. All right. Happy to answer any of y'all's questions. Good. All right. Good to hear it. Aw, tech. Do I need a graduate certificate, land a job in IT or software, for example? I don't think you need one. You can do it with, as long as you know the material, you're good to go. It just might take a long time to get a job. You are energetic and you love your job too. Replying to everyone comments isn't easy. It sure isn't, Pika. It sure isn't. You know what? But thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, it is a challenge. It is. It's a lot of fun though. It's a lot of fun. We've got one last task that we have to fix here. We got to fix this right here. So let's see if we can get our debug going here. Let's see if we can debug that. Doesn't implement display. Well, we can figure that out, right? Add some question marks in here. Few bits and pieces. This is the loss. Here we go. Grab this here. Now, good to go. Green. All waters are still. Looks like I bought membership. I have your emojis. You do? Or do you? Oh, you need the, what is it called? Rust. You gotta have that Rust in there. You also have the Vim. That's another one. Those are good ones. Best content creator out there in the field. Yo, Arya, thank you. Appreciate it. You're wonderful. All right, you guys. So we've got one last task we have to take care of here. And I might get to it. Let's see here. All right, so, whoa, KLD loss is empty. It's empty. There's nothing there. That's a problem. Okay, so that's why it's not working. All right, how about that? KL loss is empty again. Okay, how about this? How about now? Okay. There we go. But it's 1. KL loss is 1. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do, you guys, is we're gonna have to debug this tomorrow. This is the emoji I got from the membership. Did you? There you go, Rust and Vim. Hey, Sergio. It looks like you almost got it. Rust, and you have to put spaces in between. Spaces in between right there. Heart. There you go. Right there. Right there. Okay. So git status. Git commit. All right. So what we have to do tomorrow is fix this. We have to fix this tomorrow. Git commit, fix loss for tomorrow. Push to main branch. Good to go. Add an extra emoji. We do. I have to add more. There you go, Mnoti. All right, you guys. Thank you so much. I had a lot of fun today. I got to wrap up now. So good news, Bimpa. If you're still here, our loss is lower. So we do have a lower loss. We just have to figure out how to fix it. So this seems to have caused a problem. The mean all. We have to fix this right here. So that failed. Hi, Steven. Great to see you. Hey, Shadow King. I wanted to ask, is Python enough for an AI engineering role? It is enough. It is. Can you do more? Yes. C++ is a good one to add into the mix because that's where libtorch comes from. It's also very powerful. Let's see. I have 6-month experience in agentic AI. Do I have to know compiled languages like C++ or Java or Go and Rust? You don't have to. Bye, everyone. Enjoy the stream. Sergio, thank you. Yep. So, Shadow King, I think it's a good idea. However, it's not mandatory. Thank you, Steven. Take care, everyone. Joe, good to have you here. All right, everyone, have a good rest of your day. Enjoy. I have to get going now. Bye, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow. Aria, bye, sir. Thank you. Bye, guys. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks. Takes care. You guys got it. Leo, bye, Leo. Can you explain the use of hyperlog? It is for cardinality counting. If you were to count a set of 1 billion items, if you're 1 billion items, that's very much in memory. It takes maybe a gigabyte of memory. However, if you use a statistical cardinality counter like hyperlog, it'll only take a few kilobytes, and you can get the same number counter. For unique counting, it's called unique counting. All right, guys, have a good rest of your day. You watch your streams. The one you played Minecraft, Emnoti, I remember. All right, but you were making the cat. Yes, Pika, we will finish that tomorrow. We got to figure that out. Got to make the cat. Bye. Thanks, everyone. See ya tomorrow. Bye, everybody.